Hey guys, AJ here back on Level 1 for you. It's Thursday, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope your week hasn't been too stressful. Guys, we all know what Thursday is. It's courtroom madness.
You can't handle the truth.
Stab and Joe, what's going on, my friend? Rage Gamer, what's going on, guys? Good to see you. Good to see you. Oop, let me drop the link in the Discord quick. Oops, my fault. For all you guys that are waiting, hold on. Guys, please remember, I always drop the link to the live and the Discord first, right? We always go about the first half hour, 45 minutes for Discord members only. So, guys, you want to jump on early, please join the Discord. Guys, I am officially live. Officially posted content on Crumble. Apparently, you can't say the name of the site or it triggers the algorithm. So, guys, please go and subscribe to my Crumble channel, right? I dropped it in my about. So, guys, please go over there and sub. Let me see. Royston, what's going on, my friend? It's good to see you. It's good to see you, my friend. Everyone that comes on that's from England, you're gonna get that. Adam, what's going on? Emoji Mister, what's going on? Now, guys, I'm gonna talk about Crumble a bit more when we have some more regulars on. So, yeah, guys. Angel, what's going on, my friend?
Hey, buddy, how you doing, though? Hi, everybody.
Man, you know what? If I was any better, it'd be illegal, my friend. Guys, we're gonna have a whole live on that Tiffany Henyard knucklehead, right? Because, guys, I'm gonna do another episode of Don't Elect 304s, and then female cops are useless. Because that female cops are useless video, you guys seem to like that a lot. But there's a mayor in I forget where who just got recalled. They literally voted her out of office. So, guys, don't elect 304s. Don't.
No. Nope.
Not good, man. Not good.
Nope.
No, guys. This is a sad case, man. This is a sad case. Guys, I used to live in San Antonio. And there's Kerrville there. Seguin. New Braunfels. You know what I'm saying? And, guys, so this area has a lot of German names because Austin, San Antonio is where they held a bunch of the Germans of that particular time period in the 30s and the 40s who were doing bad things. This is where they shipped the POWs. So they just let them free, and then they just all kind of moved to Central Texas and then started new towns and neighborhoods. You know what I'm saying? That's why there's a lot of really good German delis in like San Antonio and Austin. There's German names for streets and towns. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah.
Well, wait a minute, hey, AJ, hold on, wait. You're gonna be that like they were POWs like from World War II?
Yes, they were bad Germans of a certain time period. Yes.
So they allow them to just walk around there and just live their lives like that, even during the war?
No. This is after the war was over.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
And there's also and then certain areas of Texas, the Japanese who were interned, the Japanese Americans that they put in camps, they kind of resettled in this area because they couldn't go back to California because the government took all of their property, which is really sad. You know what I'm saying? Those were American citizens, which is really sad. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So, okay, but this is a really sad story, guys. We're talking about this because this is a custody thing. So I remember hearing about the story a while ago, but it turns out that this is because of a custody thing. Yep. Yeah, so David, they were all over, but there was a large concentration of them in Central Texas.
Tonight, Devin.
Now I just have to laugh because doesn't this dude on the left look like he has to take a shit?
Yeah.
Look at his face.
Oh boy. You know what he kind of reminds me of though. And I don't know if you ever heard the series The Munsters.
Yeah, Eddie
He
Munster.
reminds me of Eddie Munster.
Yeah.
The way he looks and all that. But he does look like he wants to go and take a shit though. He does though, man. Better hurry up before Eddie poops on himself.
Yeah. Now guys, let's see. David's here. Rogue's here. Rogue, what's up, man? Guys, so now that we're over on Crumble, and I'm letting you guys know, guys, my Crumble link is in the about. I'll also drop it in the video that I'm gonna drop tonight. Guys, Crumble's gonna be stuff that we cannot cover here, and it'll be free reign, right? Guys, even 50 and 304s. Angel, you know what a green band trailer is compared to a red band trailer for a movie?
Red band and green. No, I never heard of that. No.
Well, so some trailers are rated R trailers and some aren't, right? So like all the ones that are green are like family friendly ones, and then the ones that are red, they call those red band trailers.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, I get it.
Right.
All right.
So guys, 50 and 304s over there is going to be 50 and 304s red band. Okay, guys, I got one that's dropping tonight. So guys, go over there, check it tomorrow. Let's just say this chick, she doesn't drop the knife, and you know what I'm saying? So I can't show that over here, or else it'll get demonetized. You know what I'm saying? James, it says I'm warming up my F words. Oh man, James is here. Billy Bills is here. Carlos X is here. What's going on, guys? And guys, also, like I said, we're gonna do more, like a little bit more politics stuff over there, just like other things. So, for instance, I'm gonna have like the wokey wokes hate black people and just vent about all the wokey wokes saying like, oh, voter ID laws are racist because black people were too dumb to get IDs. Clown world, you know what I'm saying? So all that silly stuff, like that I can't really talk about here because I'll swear a lot. It's gonna be over there on Crumble. So guys, make sure you go over there and sub. I appreciate all the support in advance, guys, and we'll also do lives over there too. And guys, I could also react to stuff that's more copyrighted. So you actually see like Kevin Samuels reaction videos over there and other things too. So yeah, guys, and I will go live there. I have to figure out the schedule, but guys, then we can say whatever we want, do whatever we want, because you see, like Crumble doesn't have the same censorship. So speaking of censorship, Jameson.
What the? Oh wait, we're not on Rumble yet.
Devastating new details. We are learning about the desperate moments leading up to a murder-suicide of a mother and son in March.
Yeah, the two were the focus of an Amber Alert before they were found dead at Tom Slick Park. Investigators say 3-year-old Kaden Krieger was at the center of a custody battle.
There it is.
KENS 5 reporter Hannah Tita is in studio tonight with the new evidence released by the sheriff.
Yikes, dude! Look at that! Look at this.
She looks like Angelina Jolie just hit the wall.
No, dude.
Really? Think so? Oh wow, that's worse. That's worse,
dude.
That's Angel Jolie.
Seriously, dude.
Wow.
And hell, Jole. No, guys. I wonder if she just had a baby or something. Well, I mean, it is San Antonio, so you know.
A baby or a cake?
I know, right?
A timeline of March 19th, the day Savannah Krieger and her son, 3-year-old Caden Krieger, went missing.
Caden. Guys, don't date single moms anyways, but especially stay away if their kid's name is Aiden, Caden, Jaden, right?
But first, a warning to our viewers tonight. Details of this story are graphic.
Cell phone data cracks the case of a murdered child, according to the Bexar County Sheriff's Office. It started in a southeast neighborhood on March 19th. That's where investigators say just after 1, Savannah Krieger stopped by her ex-husband's house while he was at work.
And damaged various items of personal clothing, furniture items.
Of course she did.
Wow.
When Cheryl says one of her arms is smaller than the other.
Sheriff Javier Salazar says Savannah then drove to her own home in Alamo Ranch.
We know is that there were some wedding dresses that seemed to have been laid out. We believe that she fired 2 shots into her wedding portraits.
After that, surveillance video shows Savannah picking up her son Caden from daycare at about 2:30, detectives say. At 3:19, Salazar says Savannah...
If you've ever been to San Antonio, guys, this is one of the most San Antonio looking chicks you will ever see, dude. I'm straight up, dude. Guys, Puerto Rican chicks are cute. Colombian chicks, you know what I mean? Chilean girls, Argentinian girls. But guys, I would say in general, other than Bolivians, you know what I mean? Like a lot of girls from our immediate southern neighbor. Nah, man, no thanks.
Anna sent one last
You mean like Bianca Rodriguez?
Right.
Say goodbye to your son. On her phone, they reportedly found a 21-second recording.
She and Caden appear to be already seated at the drainage ditch where their bodies would eventually be found. Savannah instructs Caden to say bye to Daddy.
Salazar says a handgun was found next to their bodies. He tells us the shell casings match the ones in Savannah's home.
And we will never know.
Yeah.
Wow, the crib keeper, huh?
Yikes, dude, look at that.
The complete picture.
The CEO of Family Violence Prevention Services says children are most often victims of violence.
By who, guys? By who?
By women.
Yep, Michael Norman, Razor Gang, Gamer, Wintrell. Who is the one that perpetuates violence against children and the elderly and the disabled more than anyone else? Angel, yes, you are correct, my friend.
The women, yep. That's right.
The community's attention
Just like a woman.
should go now to those members of the family that are left with no real answers.
And Marta Prada Pelaez, who you just saw there, says these horrific cases highlight the need for a crisis nursery in San Antonio. If you or someone you know needs help, please call the Family Violence Prevention.
This chick, if she was skinnier in her face, she would kind of have that Uma Thurman thing going on, where from some angle she looks cute. You know what I'm saying? but then other angles you're like, ugh, yeah. All right, you just want to dim the lights a little bit now, guys. This one is a curveball, okay? Because once again, I was dumb and I clicked on this one. Wintrell says her arm.
That is
Hold on,
weird.
I gotta look. Look. Hold on.
Yeah, go back.
Yes, this one's
The
like
right
way
arm's
smaller than this one. What is she, an arm wrestler or something? You know what I'm saying?
Lincoln Hawk, yeah.
Look at this, man.
More than the other, though, yeah.
Yikes, guys. So there's 3 different cases in this one. Each time, I think the mom is lying. So the first one, they think that the mom is alienating the kids. The second one, she's lying to not have the dad see the kids. And the third one is a paternity case, guys. And I'm not gonna tell you how that one goes, but someone's lying. They be lying.
Know when you knew you were pregnant. You testified falsely.
Carlos X, I would say the truth about cats and dogs. Uma Thurman was the hottest. You know what I'm saying?
To the court.
Yes, sir, I did.
The court could, in this matter as well, hold you in contempt and incarcerate you until such time as the children do go.
Also, child support had been suspended because Mr. Van Zant said he was applying for disability. We've received no information about that, but as I indicated in the motion.
Chelsea Joswiak versus Ryan Joswiak.
Court will note the appearance of Ms. Reed on behalf of plaintiff, Ms. Henderson on behalf of defendant.
Chelsea,
This matter is before the court on the defendant's motion to
CHELSIE.
hold plaintiff in contempt and for immediate resumption of parenting time and other relief. Ms. Henderson, obviously we have a substantial docket today. I don't need a rehashing of everything. We do have an answer filed in this matter, which denies the allegations. Therefore, the court's going to have an evidentiary hearing. Is there anything else?
Guys, speaking of that, guys, my dad's like 67 years old. He's like, son, can I ask you a question? I'm like, what's up, Pop? He goes, what does drizzle mean?
Oh, you didn't know that? Oh, okay.
I was like, dude, seriously? He was like, I've been seeing it everywhere on the internet. What does this mean? I was like, oh, that is great, dude. That is great. I'm telling you, we tell these 304s, if you strike me down, I shall become more powerful than you can ever imagine. You know what I'm saying? Seriously. Seriously, man.
Dude.
And guys, if you haven't joined the Discord yet, join the Discord. I'm going to drop the link. Jameson, you were saying?
I was saying Jennifer's too pretty a name for this woman at the bottom here.
Oh, I know,
oh dear.
Right? Yikes, dude. Yeah, no thanks, man. That. Oh no!
Exactly. Exactly.
Let me see. Let me do the link to the Discord.
Oh, AJ,
guys.
AJ.
Yes.
Let me ask you. Did you tell your father what drizzle meant?
Of course.
Okay, good. All right, good.
So my dad, he's a older guy, but I guess his girlfriend's daughter, who's in her 30s, who's a strong and independent chick, was talking to her mom about drizzle. You know what I'm saying? So
yeah.
We can address today.
No, Your Honor. Essentially, what we're asking is that the consent order that the parties entered into prior to this hearing continue, meaning the parties continue counseling with Meredith Katz and follow all of her recommendations. We would ask that the issue be scheduled for an evidentiary hearing to consider the issues brought up in our motion. Ms. Katz expressed significant concerns regarding coaching of children by the mother. So that is the
there it
issue
is.
we would like
See?
to be brought up at the evidentiary hearing. I would also ask the court to remind the parties that the order has not been changed, so it should be followed as it relates to the parenting time. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Reed,
Sorry,
anything
guys,
else other than your answer?
Guys, there's a link to the Discord. Guys, here's the link to the Crumble. So please go and go over there. I'd appreciate that.
That the children are continuing.
Yeah, guys, Jeremy from the Quartering said that you can't say you had to say crumble, or you got to say the site with a triangle. Isn't that crazy? That you can't even say the word. You know what I'm saying?
To refuse to go over to dad.
Yep.
That's how my client is not denying parenting time, is that these children are refusing.
She's not denying parenting time. He just can't see his kids. You evil. Ugh.
To go, and they're at an age where she cannot physically force them to go. The counseling with Ms. Katz has just recently started. She's had maybe 3 appointments with them. Joint sessions have not started yet, and they're still starting to identify what the issues are of why the children are refusing to go over to dad. So I believe a show cause.
Guys, I guarantee that this guy's former military, and they got married when they were young, and he was in the military, right? And they had their kids like back to back when they were in their early 20s, and then I don't know, she cheated on him or left them, because only military dudes wear their hats and their glasses, their sunglasses, like that, right? So, and then they always wear these zip up things too. You know what I'm saying? That's how my friend Matt dressed all the time, and he was a ranger for like 12 years. So
Is kind of premature, so we're asking for it to be denied.
Okay. Well, I do believe that there's a sufficient basis to proceed. The court will schedule an evidentiary hearing, but I want to get some input from the counselor, so we'll schedule the evidentiary hearing after we get a report from the counselor. The counseling in this matter will resume, and it will be in person. I know that there was some issue about, well, doing it Zoom. I wanted in person, so we can put that in the order. Court would order further that the defendant's phone number would be added to the children's phone.
Mosey, this is how many chins can you count, Jennifer? I count 8.
Wow. I count too much.
In this case, the court will reserve on the balance of the other relief, but I would state, if it's determined, Ms. Joswiak, that you are not attempting to facilitate the children going to the defendant, the court will order makeup for all of the parenting time missed. And
there it is.
I just
Good.
had that happen in a case in which we found out that the mother was not facilitating that, so dad was given about 6 months straight of parenting time. So
oops,
just
there
want
it
to
is.
let you know that. The court could, in this matter as well, hold you in contempt and incarcerate you until such time as the children do go. So
But of course you
I'm
won't.
mentioning that, but that's how we'll proceed. Now, Ms. Henderson, I'll ask that you would prepare an order submitted under 7 days.
Sure, Your Honor. As for report of the counselor, Meredith Katz prefers to testify in person or by Zoom at the hearing. Would that be acceptable to Your Honor?
Yeah, she doesn't have to appear at the hearing at that. She can
That's her
appear by
preference.
Zoom.
Yeah, she usually likes to testify at the hearing rather than prepare a report. She does give updates to the.
Steve, yeah, she was denying him parenting time, right? She's trying to say that, oh, you know, they don't want to go, blah, 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 blah. It's like, it doesn't matter. You haven't shown that you've been trying to facilitate this.
Counsel via email.
Okay, I don't know. I don't understand what you're asking for then.
Your ruling stated that the evidentiary hearing shall be after Ms. Katz submits a report.
Yes.
That's why I'm following up on that, because usually she testifies at the hearing rather than submitting a formal report to the court.
Well, have her submit a report, then we'll be able to see what, and then we can, that way it can tell us, kind of give us some ideas to parameters of the hearing.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay,
And
thank
would
you.
the hearing be with you or with the referee?
No, it'll be with me.
Okay, thank you
Okay,
very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Have a good day.
Bye.
Thank you.
Guys, I've said this once, I've said this twice. Isn't it funny, guys, how when men's fight for men's rights, it's for we and not just me. But when women fight for women's rights, it's for me and no one else. Women's rights is I. I want to do this. I want to do that. I want to this. Whereas men is saying, I want to see my kids, right? You know what I'm saying? It's more about other people. You know what I'm saying? So.
Brenda Van Zandt versus Lance Van Zandt.
Court will note the appearance of Ms. McNiff on behalf of plaintiff. This matter is before the court on the plaintiff's motion to modify custody, parenting time, and support. Ms. McNiff.
Your Honor, I know the court's busy today. We're asking to modify the sole legal to modify legal custody to sole legal with my client. Mr. Van Zandt simply hasn't complied with the court's previous orders. The children don't have an appropriate place to live, let alone stay when they're at the
So
dad's
she's trying to get sole custody. How about that?
house. They don't have bedrooms. They don't have clothing. They don't have personal hygiene items. He's living either in a camper at his friend's house or in the friend's house. Also, child support had been suspended because Mr. Van Zandt said he was applying for disability. We've received no information about that, but as I indicated in the motion, Mr. Van Zandt has the ability to walk from Marshall to Battle Creek, which calls him to question his ability, whether or not he's actually disabled. So we're asking the court to unsuspend child support and also to allow me to calculate child support based on 0 overnights, because the children have had maybe 1 overnight with dad in the camper when the weather was appropriate. We would also ask the dad be required to arrange any parenting time with mom and not go through the minor children.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Van Zandt, what's your response?
Yes, there's a few of those I would like to address. Yeah, I don't have the clothing and stuff, but the hygiene products are there. I have walked to her house a couple times, but not without consequence. My ankles bleed every time I do it, and I'm down for days afterwards, but I will do it to spend time with my kids when I'm able to. My disability hearing is still in process. I'm waiting for the paperwork for my video hearing for it. That paperwork was sent in. I'm waiting to hear back. I got your information or your letter for medical affidavit, which I got to my doctor. I'm just waiting to get it back either today or tomorrow. Let's see what else. And the mailing address that they put on there is wrong because my address has been changed from her house for a couple years now, since I lived on 15 Mile Road. What else is
He
on here that
walks
I would like to address?
to see his kids.
But yes, basically they are right though, because I am unable to work at the moment, but I have walked to their house a couple different times throughout the year to actually be able to see my kids because she won't bring them over to me when she's able to. Other than that, I guess that's about right, I think.
Okay. Well, the court does find in reviewing the pleadings that there has been threshold of proper cause or change in circumstances pursuant to Budvarka versus Grassmeyer for a hearing in this matter. The court will refer the matter to the referee for a hearing.
Robert Green, what's going on, my friend? Mr. Excelsior, how's it going? Trevor's here, what's going on?
On the petition, the court will in the interim, because we're not going to wait indefinitely for a determination on your disability. We can always go back and modify support if it turns out I'm going to vacate the suspension of child support at this time, effective today's date.
There it is.
I'll ask Mr. Van Zant, you can notify Ms. McNiff after this hearing, call her office and give her your new address so that you make sure that all the pleadings go to your correct address.
She has my correct address because their letter was mailed to where I'm staying.
Well, you were just stating they didn't have your address. So
I was meaning on the paperwork. I was meaning on the paperwork. It says I've been using her address as a mailing address, and my address has been changed before this hearing, way before.
Well, that's not unusual. People move, and the address on the pleadings is different, but she apparently sent it to the correct address.
What does this knucklehead on the bottom left have to say?
So that will be the order.
No, Michael Norman, I think that's just how her face always looks.
Yeah, man, it's terrible.
Ms. McNiff, we can refer the matter to the referee in this particular matter, so that we'll take care of that.
Thank you, Judge. Do I need to do an order about
Yeah, you'll need to do an order about vacating the suspension.
I will. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Free to go. Have a good day.
You too.
The court will note that this matter is before the court on the motion to exclude child filed on February 13, 2024.
Here we go, guys.
By the defendant in this matter, represented by Ms. Jansen Miller.
And presently you are still married to Logan Morris, is that correct?
Oh, I don't know. He put Logan's on accident. I was like, what kind of name is Logan's with an S? You know what I'm saying?
And he's the defendant on this action.
Correct.
And during the course of your marriage,
yo, dude, lawyer chick can get it, dude.
You ain't kidding.
Oh, they're in the court.
How you doing?
became pregnant, is that correct?
I know. The jury says, "How you doing?" What say you, ladies and gentlemen of the jury? How you doing?
And the pregnancy that you recently had a baby, is that correct?
Yes.
Of course she did.
And that pregnancy, you had a DNA test for, correct?
Yes.
And the DNA results indicated that
Logan's
Logan
wearing
Morris
his
is not the
work
father.
clothes still.
Yeah. Yep. Hold on, guys.
The pregnancy that you
Poor bastard.
you recently had a baby, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And that pregnancy, you had a DNA test for, correct?
Yes.
And the DNA results indicated that Logan Morris is not the father, is that correct?
Yes.
Look at that.
Oh.
Yo. Look at that, man. That means that look, they're married still, and some other dude was shooting up the club, dude. Oh no! Look at that.
Yeah, looking at that attorney, all I can think is that line from Ted where it says, "Erection sustained."
And you believe that to be true?
Yes.
Okay.
Look at her. She thinks it's funny. They're married still. And she's like, yeah. Then she let some other dude smash. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. We know what's not going to be funny, guys. After the divorce is over and... You didn't have second thoughts. Now you a single mom. Now you a single mom.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay,
That's
you're
our
in a
problem.
relationship with a gentleman that is named as the father on the DNA, right?
Yes.
Okay. Are you asking in the course of your divorce that this baby would be excluded from your divorce proceedings with Logan Morris and that child would not be a product of your marriage?
Correct.
You know what, guys, it's a good thing that she went along with this, because she could have made it hell for him. And guys, any baby born in a marriage, the husband is considered the legal father. Luckily, she went along with this and made it easy. You know what I'm saying? But she could have made it harder for him, and then he would have had to have been paying child support while she drug it out in court. You know what I'm saying?
So did they say she's in a relationship with
Hold on. Dude,
Sorry.
all states are presumptions of paternity if they're married. Every single state, that's the case. If you are legally married, then that child is considered yours. Now, there's some paperwork that you can both have signed, yes. But there isn't a state in the union that isn't a thing. That's how Brittany Griner ended up having to pay child support for her ex-wife's twins. So, sorry, Jameson, you were saying?
Did I hear correctly? Is she in a relationship with the father now?
Ooh, this chick?
Yeah. Did they say she's in a relationship with the biological father now?
I didn't hear that. I don't think so. Not unless I missed it.
No, I haven't heard that. She probably wants to, though.
I
Maybe.
have no further questions for this witness.
Well, yeah, you know
Ms.
who makes
Morris,
the
I
best
have
father
one-
or husband? A man who bangs married women.
Exactly.
And in preparing for the hearing today, I went back. I did note that we had a hearing in this matter. I think it was back on January 8th, wasn't it? 10th? Yeah, that's right. We had a hearing on January 10th in which proofs were put on the record in this matter.
The dude.
So it's Brittany Griner. The dude in the WNBA.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Yep.
Yeah. For you guys who don't know, Brittany Griner was married before, and her ex cheated on her and got pregnant and had twins, and Brittany Griner has to pay child support to this day.
Matter. And at that time, the court asked you if you were pregnant, and
Yes.
your answer was no. Why did you answer no when you knew you were pregnant?
Lying to the court. Look at that.
Because I was under the impression that it would be under Logan's child, which I knew it wasn't. After I left the hearing, I called my mom and asked her if I should have said yes. Then I did call and talk to Christy and told her, I said, I think that I answered incorrectly.
Well,
I think that I answered incorrectly. Clown World. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And of course, right when they're caught, what's the first thing they go to, guys?
Tears.
I'm just
I got to make that my ringtone.
Right?
I do note that Ms. Jansen Miller did attach some attachments to the motion, and on January 8, 2024, you did a posting that said ultrasound, happy third trimester.
Oops.
2 days before you testified falsely to the court.
Lie to the judge.
Look at that, guys. Red-handed. Red-handed, man.
Yes, sir, I did.
Well, I want
I
to
love
know,
how he took off his
I gotta
glasses
take
as he
action
said
at this
that.
point.
Oh, guys, and I also like, I'm going to give Carlos X a round of applause. I think it was him that was posting those pictures of garlic croutons in the Discord.
Yes, I saw that.
Oh yeah.
But the court could hold you in contempt and could put you in jail for contempt of court. You understand?
But they're not going
that?
to.
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay.
I'm sorry for that.
I'm sorry for that.
Just mention it for future reference. Again, it probably would never happen where you came into court again, but again, if you were in my court.
Guys, come on.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
You think this knuckleheaded 304 can stay out of court? Come on.
And that came up on any issue, and we found out that you were testifying falsely, you would go to jail. So, and you could go to jail up to 93 days. So we don't take these things lightly when somebody lies to the court. Okay. Ms. Jansen Miller, any additional witnesses?
I just real briefly, my client.
Okay.
And you heard all the questions that I just asked Courtney, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And you do not believe that you are the father of this child?
Nope.
And you would, like as part of your judgment of divorce with Courtney, to have the child be excluded as a child of yours of this course of marriage, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And you understand that that's final and you would not then be able to go back and claim that child or anything to that effect, correct?
Yep.
Okay.
Why would
I
he?
have no further questions, Your Honor.
Sir, do you know when the child was born in this matter?
He was born March 17th.
Okay. Sir, in this matter, knowing that the child was born in March, on March 17th, that would put the time of conception sometime around maybe June, somewhere in that area. At the time that the child was conceived, were you engaged in any sexual relations with the plaintiff?
No.
Okay, ma'am, I'm asking him questions.
Sorry.
Okay.
Knucklehead.
That's fine. Ms. Morris, do you have any questions of the defendant?
I do not.
Okay. Ms. Jansen Miller, anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Would you like to offer the DNA test results?
Yes, I would, Your Honor. I believe they've already been submitted to the court.
Well, but they're not offered into it.
No, yes, I just didn't send anything separate today. I would like to offer those as.
Raise that gamer. I didn't hear that. I heard that supposedly that chick said that that she's gonna flush the baby from Fresh and Fit. So because I think this whole thing was cap anyways. You know what I'm saying? I think this whole thing was like Fresh is goofy behind trying to be like, see, there's shit out there who want me, dude. You know what I mean? That's proof that, I do a lot of stuff. You know what I'm saying? And there's nothing you can say about what exactly I do because there's a chick out there that, is pretty and she, had abortion. So, and guys, yes, I know I stutter and all, but at least you guys can understand what the hell I'm saying. Dude, you know what I mean? I'm a stuttering bastard and all, but dude, at least I can speak clearly. You know what I mean? So yeah, I haven't heard the update yet because those guys are they're just such clowns, dude. Like I just can't with them. You know what I mean? Hold on, guys. Let me see. Where were we? 1 second. Carlos X, man. I'm always on the lookout for garlic croutons.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And I want my medication and I want my croutons, please.
Our exhibit.
Wintrell, dude, I don't know if she was actually pregnant or not, but like, I think that's the only person that, look, I think that they probably paid her some money to like boost Fresh's like profile. That a girl who looks like that would be like all mad at him because he ghosted her or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So
as proof for the determination.
Okay. Ms. Morris, do you have any opposition or objection to the court admitting the DNA test results?
No, Your Honor, I don't.
Okay. The court will admit the DNA test result in this matter, there being no objection. Anything else, Ms. Jansen Miller?
Nothing today, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Morris, do you have anything else?
No, I don't.
Okay. Ms. Jansen Miller, do you wish to make any closing argument?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Morris, do you wish to?
No, I don't.
Okay. Just a moment, I'm trying to get to the exhibit. The court has heard the testimony in this matter for both the plaintiff and the defendant. They both have confirmed through their testimony that the defendant in this matter is not biological father of the child in this matter.
And that the plaintiff is
a pot smoking slut.
Dude, Steve M said he bought 2 bags of garlic croutons. He must be wasted.
Oh, yeah, he must be wasted, man. He must be off that, off that Patron or something. You know what I'm saying?
The court has held Messer is not issue of this marriage. Is not the biological child of the defendant, and the court would exclude him as the biological father. Ms. Jansen Miller, do you wish to send in a separate order on this? Did you send in a separate order that's in the file? I don't know.
I don't think we sent an order yet. We just had sent the DNA results.
Okay.
We do not have one, June.
Okay. If you
Robert Green, yeah, dude, there is no Trevor says, slow down, Steve. But yeah, dude, yeah, there is no looking good coming out of the whole situation. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if they thought that was like a clout thing or whatever. I don't know, but come on.
would send in a order, I'll let you sign it under, or send it in under 7-day rule, and exclude the defendant. And further, if you
so, I guess this is the best Dad could do, guys. Hey, James the Angel is your favorite judge.
Oh no!
I'm leaving.
Yeah, guys. Okay, now, guys, there's gonna come a moment, and let's see if you guys see it, because when you see it, you're gonna laugh. Okay, you guys, listen to this knucklehead right here, guys. Buckle in for this.
What part of this trial thing y'all don't seem to get?
Oh, this judge is a hack.
Yes, sir. I get to ask the question, and then you answer the question.
Yeah, I know. I apologize.
I know, but you just can't help yourself, Miss Gibson.
Yeah, because it hurt my son. You just don't know.
Can't help myself. I love you and nobody else. In and out my life. You come and you go.
She looks like that.
It hurt him so.
You have no obligation.
She does, doesn't she? That and her face is just, smushed straight into the friggin' camera. You know what I'm saying? So you just can't help yourself, Miss Gibson. Can you?
You had no officer.
Oh man, 8-Bit Dragon, what's going on, man? Guys, so now we have 8-Bit Banger, we have 8-Bit Dragon. Right on, man.
If you would just be patient for just a couple of minutes. And
You're talking to a woman here, bud.
Look at the chick on the upper right, laughing. Was it Chastine Gray?
Oh God, that's a
chick.
chick.
That I ask you, then I will give you a chance to rant at me about what it is that you think is in Jacory's best interest. Okay?
Jacory.
Oh no.
Jacory, guys. Yikes, man. Oh, sorry, guys. Oh, I gotta get it out here. And at that, I gotta break out the race card, guys. I dropped the link, so anyone who wants to come on up, come on up.
Yeah, it hurt because my.
It hurt. Doug and PA, I appreciate that. He says the courtroom smells like garlic croutons.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And I want my medication and I want my croutons, please.
House number 24 DCFM 0295. This is in the 279th District Court of Jefferson County, Texas, and it's in the interest of Thomas. Mr. Christopher Thomas, I need you to raise your right hand and tell me that your hand is in the air. Mr. Thomas, do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I swear.
Thank you, Mr. Thomas. You can put your hand down. Ms. Gibson and any other witnesses, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear the testimony y'all are about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
So help me God.
You can both put your hands down. All right. Call your first witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. This time I will call Miss Gibson. Will you please state your name?
My name is Natasha Gibson.
And we are here today to talk about your child, Thomas. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am. Thomas. Yes, ma'am.
And how old?
Boy is 15 now. He's going to be 16 in July.
Was he born in 2009 or 2008?
He was born 2009.
Okay, so he's getting ready to be 15?
Yeah, I mean 15. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, who is his father?
Christopher Lee Thomas.
Now, Miss Gibson, are you seeking back child support or to start from here forward?
Well, I just want a year. I'm not trying to get the max back pay or anything. I just would like a year or 2 years because I've been having him since I moved back, and I've been doing this by myself. Like, it's not fair. It's just one child. My other oldest son.
Now, let me ask you some questions. Okay. In the last, you said you wanted 1 year or 2 years?
Really 2 years.
Okay. In the last 2 years, has
he said, "Is she a mumble rap rapper?"
Oh.
I told you guys, I am not the target demographic for new rap music, man. Straight up, dude. I'm a old school, Wu-Tang, Mobb Deep type of dude. You know what I'm saying? But all this hubbity bibbity bubbity skibbity bubbity heebity bibbity bubbity heebity bubbity bibbity skibbity bubbity but what is that?
Yeah, I never understood that either, though. I heard that, man.
Like our generation of rappers had rapped about selling drugs. These guys rap about doing drugs. You know what I'm saying? Like ODing and stuff. It's like, what's going on here? Steve with $10. I appreciate that, my friend. He says, I'm rating garlic croutons to all the three. All the 304s, dude. Look at that.
Seriously. Garlic croutons, dude.
you and Mr. Thomas live together?
No.
Oh, and guys, I'm going to make a crumble thread in the Discord, right? And guys, any topics you want over there, you know what I mean? We can talk about over there, okay? Especially in the lives. Okay, so guys, like I said, we'll oh, what happened?
I went over and followed you.
Hold on. Sorry guys. What happened? Okay. I'll do that here in a second. Let me just do this. Okay.
Ever.
Okay. And in the last 2 years, has he gone to live with his dad?
No.
Okay. And in the last 2 years, has Mr. Thomas paid you any money for child support?
No.
Okay.
Haven't brought nothing, no school clothes, shoes,
But he was
a
taking care of
haircut,
him before that.
McDonald's, nothing. Not a Christmas, not a pick me up, it's raining, not a don't answer, don't reply, don't nothing.
Miss Gibson.
I'm sorry.
You need to object, Miss Brownzito, if the witness is not responding properly. Miss Gibson, just answer the question, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Give you a little more time.
Now,
Okay, yes, sir.
does he visit with his dad?
He told me go play basketball so on Saturdays, and he every night, like this about the third time, I was like, call your dad and see if he can drop you off.
What? Isn't it crazy how 304s just can't answer the goddamn question? Isn't that funny? They will run you all around and around. Just answer the question. Answer the question, Claire. Right?
Whole story.
God, man, just say, well, has the dad did this? Yes. Has the dad did that? No. Not, no, man, he got, and guys, hold on, you'll see it when it comes.
Objection, Your Honor, non-responsive.
That's sustained.
Now, Miss...
This knucklehead on the right can't even spell objection. Let alone know what it means. You know what I mean? Oh, yeah.
Gibson.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Excuse me. To cut you off. We doing this one at a time, or could I talk doing this?
Because he dropped them off. He dropped them off to the.
Okay.
They muted her?
Both witnesses have now been muted. Miss Gibson, I need you to just plainly listen to the question that Miss Brownzito asks you and answer her question. I don't need you to answer questions she didn't ask you. Okay?
This guy.
I'll give you an opportunity at some point in time during the hearing to give me other information you think I need to know. Mr. Thomas, you will be given an opportunity to respond, I promise. Okay, you're both unrepresented by counsel. Neither of you have an attorney. So as what we call pro se parties, I will give you a chance to
Guys, next week, I have a pro se one. This guy, he walks in there, like I said. So for all you guys who might be new to the channel, 8-Bit Dragon, Wintrell, guys, I do courtroom madness. Number one, because there's all, like us red pill guys know that anytime a man's in court, he's screwed. Family court, paternity court, a divorce court, hell, even a criminal court, you're screwed. But there are these guys that think that they're gonna stop by Kinko's, and they're gonna make their copies, and they're gonna get their manila folder, they're gonna march in there, and they're gonna get justice. And then they get boned, right? And guys, there's one that I'll show you next week, because I'm trying to put this dude walks into court with this smirk on his face, and slowly you could see him get red pilled in real time. You know what I'm saying?
me information, okay? All right, Miss Brownzito, please re-ask your question of Miss Gibson. Miss Gibson, you may unmute.
Yes,
Miss Gibson, just visit with his dad.
That's a yes or a no question, you dimwit.
Just answer the question. She was already talking when they were talking. Now all of a sudden she can't talk?
Yeah.
That's not a difficult question either.
No.
Yeah, mumbles over here. Can't even talk.
Does he go on weekends with his dad?
No.
Does Mr. Thomas try to get him to go on weekends with him?
No.
Okay. Do you have a problem with going with his dad on weekends?
Nope.
Okay.
Ooh. 8-Bit Dragon says he's got a court case next month. Monday, dude. Good luck, man. And get a lawyer, bro. Get a lawyer. Seriously, man. Yep.
Or is there a Kinko's nearby?
Does Mr. Thomas have any other minor children that you're aware of?
No, ma'am.
Your Honor, I pass this witness.
May call your next witness.
I would call Mr. Thomas. Will you please state your name?
You can
You'll
unmute
need
Mr. Thomas.
Star 6 10. There you go.
Christopher Thomas.
Okay. And you are his dad?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you working?
Yes, I am.
And where do you work?
Guys, look.
I'm working at the plant right now.
Look.
What plant?
El Valero.
Do you work for Valero or do you
Look on the right.
What is she doing?
Contract.
Putting on her teeth?
No, dude, look. Watch closely, guys. Watch closely.
I can't tell if that's.
Do you work for Valero
What?
or do you
A contract.
a contractor?
Valero.
Okay.
Putting on, dentures.
No, she's not.
Do you get paid by the hour?
What?
Yes, ma'am.
And how much do you make an hour?
I'm making 26 now.
Do you work 40?
Dude, she was rolling a blunt, dude.
I thought that's what she was doing.
lighting a pipe.
Yeah, look, dude, Steve got it first. Steve, that's right.
I thought she was going down on someone.
Look at that. You know what, Steve? You're going to get a round of applause.
For a second, I thought.
No, guys, people in the even the content creator was like, "Yo, guys, I thought she was eating a chicken wing," but then I read the comments.
I thought she was sipping the straw.
She was rolling a blunt, dude. Look at that. That's like, guys, I have to find the video, but the one lady, she was an old woman who was on some type of drug court or whatever, and she pissed hot for something, or she didn't she didn't show up for her drug test. So then a judge admonishes her, and then the court's supposed to be over. She doesn't turn her Zoom off, and she lights up a bowl. It's like, that judge is a real whore. As she's smoking on camera in front of the judge. Oops.
3 hours a week?
That's nothing.
What happened?
Last week's takedown with Chris Hansen, a guy was in court texting a 15-year-old about having sex.
What?
While he was in court.
Way. Yikes.
Yeah, he went from court to the decoy's house.
Oh, no. I got to check that out, man.
Ma'am, y'all have me trying to pay this woman child support, and I've been having my child all this long
Objection, Your
time.
Honor. Objection, Your Honor, non-responsive.
Mr. Thomas?
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Now just answer the question. I'll give you a chance, I promise.
Mr. Thomas, do you work at least 40 hours a week? Do you work over 40 hours?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Right now we are.
Okay. Do you have insurance available for your child?
No, I don't.
Look, guys. Look. Let me move the race card. Let me move it. Oh, look.
This is great.
Look.
Mr.
Please tell me.
Thomas, do you work at least 40 hours a week? Do you work over 40 hours?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Right now we are.
Okay. Do you have insurance available for your child?
Look.
No, I don't.
And she's on full view.
Did the judge just notice?
Your Honor, I'm not sure if I asked Miss Gibson if how the child was covered. Yeah, I did. Did I? I was just.
He have Medicaid for him. I have Medicaid for Jacory. Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
The weed.
Yeah, me too.
I was just asking if I'd asked that question. I didn't remember if I'd asked it.
You didn't.
She's still going.
Mr.
Can it
Thomas,
wait?
do you visit with Jacory?
Yes, ma'am. I do. She lied
Oh, boy.
on the oath because on Saturdays, I'm the one who dropped her to her house, and she comes outside and asks me to give her money.
Yeah.
I'm the person she talks to, so I don't know why she lied on the oath like that. Matter of fact, my child is asking me for a ride to the wreck right now. He texting me after this phone conversation. I have to go to a house to pick him up, but she's telling you I
No,
don't
I
visit
told
my
him to
child.
text you. I told him to text you to
Objection,
actually
Your
pay.
Honor. Objection, Your Honor. Non-responsive.
Your Honor,
Mr. Objection.
I'm not trying to be rude or anything or
I know,
anything.
Mr.
I just
Thomas,
want
but Mr. Thomas, this is my courtroom.
Not
And
yeah, and this chick's rolling doobies right in your courtroom, and you're not saying anything. This is Texas. Look at that.
Follow the rules of my courtroom, and it
Yes,
really
sir, I'm
doesn't.
sorry.
I know, but being sorry doesn't fix it because you're not fixing your behavior.
Right.
Okay.
You're right.
Have I
You're
told
right.
you,
I
Mr.
feel
Thomas?
like
I know, Mr. Thomas, but there you're still interrupting. Have I told you, Mr. Thomas, that I was going to give you a chance to give me your side of the story? Did I tell you that at least once?
Yes, you did. Yes, sir.
And yet
I'm
you
sorry.
still refuse to answer the questions of Miss Brown-Zito, and I don't know why.
I'm sorry, Miss Rito. I just feel like I'm not going to get a chance to say, and I feel like I'm paying somebody's bill instead of helping my child who can come stay back with me.
Again,
Is that
Mr.
one of the
Thomas,
Charlo brothers?
just answer the question of Miss Brown-Zito.
What is the
It
question,
is.
Miss Rito? I'm sorry.
That's right. What is the question, Miss Brown-Zito?
I don't know if I've forgotten. I think the question was, do you visit with your child?
Yes,
I think
I
that was
do.
okay. Do you want to be able to visit with him on weekends?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you have any other minor children?
No, I don't.
Where did she go?
And you stated that you do not have
She's gonna step
insurance.
off
Is that
camera
correct?
and blow a big puff of smoke
No,
in
I'm
the
not.
camera frame.
Yeah,
I don't have
you're gonna see a puff of smoke come through the view, I'm sure.
And in the last 24 months, have you lived with Miss Gibson?
No, I haven't.
In the last 24 months, has your child come to live with you?
No. I don't know that technically. I'm going to say no because I don't know how to answer that.
That's a pretty
In
simple
the last
question.
24 months, have you given Miss Gibson any money for child support for your child?
Yes.
And how much money do you say that you've given to her in the last 24 months?
I don't know total, but it'll be like she always asking for like $60 or $40 a week or something like that. I have that on Cash App to prove.
And you say you've given her that much every week?
Yes.
Dang, so guys, they knew they was smart to mute her because look at her talking. You know what I'm saying?
On how many occasions do you say that you've sent her money through Cash App?
Not all the time, but most of the time. I can retract that on my every week, but it's a lot.
Do you have an amount that you say that you've given to her every month?
Total a month, at least 140, 120.
Every month?
Yeah, 20s add up.
Okay.
Dude, keep track of your finances.
I know, right?
Your Honor, I would pass
well,
this witness.
Dude, obviously any dude who would shoot up in this broad isn't too smart, right, guys?
Exactly.
Come on, man.
These two idiots deserve each other.
Facts.
At this time, I will call Miss Gray.
Yeah, these two
Will
are
you please state your
procreating.
name?
Keep that in mind.
Justine Gray,
And where do you work?
Office of the Attorney General.
What is your capacity?
I am a child support officer.
As a child support officer, do you have occasion to review the wages of our customers?
Yes, I do.
And did you do so in this?
Customers, come on.
You've been had. You've been took. You've been hoodwinked. Bamboozled. Led astray. Run amok.
come on, man.
She meant
Oh,
victims.
wow, G.I. Jane really let herself go.
This case.
I did.
Marks.
And in the last 4 quarters, do we have wages for Mr. Thomas?
Yes, we did.
And what are those wages? Let's
Um,
start with the fourth quarter and go back to the first
Just
quarter.
just the monthly gross will be fine, Ms. Brown.
Okay.
You want the monthly gross? $3,429.90 was the monthly gross for those wages.
Do you have you looked at that in listening to his testimony? Have you looked at that for that was over the last year, but do we have wages for him for the year before?
The year before 23?
Yes.
I believe I just had the 23 year wages.
Is it that we don't have any wages for that for the year before then? Or you don't know?
I don't have anything before 23 before me. I myself don't have them. Doesn't mean that they're not there.
Your Honor, I would pass this witness.
Do you have any additional witnesses that you wish to call, Ms. Brown, too?
If I could briefly recall Mr. Thomas.
Yes.
Mr. Thomas, where did you work in 2022?
I worked at Exxon.
And were you working for a contractor there as well?
No.
And when you worked for Exxon, how much did you make an hour?
26.
Hey, 25.
And did you work there the entire year of 2023?
He been there for 3 years.
Ms. Gibson?
Exactly.
What
Why are you
part of
interrupting?
my earlier statement doesn't seem to get through to you that I've asked you not to talk until somebody asks you a question?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, Ms. Brown, Tito.
Mr. Thomas, did you work there the entire year of 2022?
Yes, ma'am.
And then you came over to Valero?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your Honor, I pass the witness.
Thank you. Do you have any additional witnesses that you wish to call, Ms. Brown?
I do not, Your Honor.
Mr. Thomas, can I ask you some questions, please?
Yes, sir, you can.
Mr. Thomas, I have a child that's almost 15 years old, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Now, this child was born in Harris County, but now resides in my county here in Jefferson County, correct?
Yes, sir.
What county do you live in, Mr. Thomas?
Right here in Jefferson.
Okay. So you and the mom both live in the same county, yes?
Yes, sir. He stayed basically almost down the street.
Okay. So do you get to see Jacory on a pretty regular basis?
Yes, sir, I do. And I'm not lying. I'm under oath, sir.
It's okay, Mr. Thomas. You don't have to tell me that you're lying or not lying. I'm gonna believe what you tell.
Look at this broad on the right. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that.
Tell me until I see something different, okay? All right. So does Jacory come to stay the night with you?
Let's see. When pigs fly, what's going on, man? Jessica's here. What's going on, my friend? Tech Forward. He says my baby mom's family doesn't talk to the cops or the courts. I got lucky. You know what, dude? You're gonna get yourself a round of applause for that. Stabbing Joe says, I'm prettier than these women.
No, he don't.
Okay. How come?
I don't know. He's busy, like playing basketball. He's doing that. Like she said, he played basketball on the weekends. So he go do that. He like to hang out over there because she said he talked to some girls. So he basically go over there for that. And I don't know.
That's okay.
Sir, sir, to be honest, to tell you the truth, this is my mother house that I'm at. I really don't stay here. I really stay in Houston. So it's just like on the weekends, I'm going, when I do see him, I'm really in Houston or I'm at work all the time. You know, I'm working at Valero or before that Exxon. I'm working all day. So, man, I'm sorry.
That's okay. I'm trying to get an idea,
Yeah.
Mr. I'm just trying to get an
Yeah, I
idea, Mr.
understand.
Okay. But Jacory does stay at his mother's, Miss Gibson's house overnight until you get to pick him up and visit with him, right?
Oh, thank God they cut off her mic.
Yeah, for a ride.
Yeah. Look at this.
Right. But I
She's
mean,
screaming
at
over
night,
there.
he's staying at Miss Gibson's house.
Yes, sir, he is.
Okay. Oh.
Look at this chick's face. Look at that. Right?
You can tell she's screaming, "You lying ass!"
Yeah.
Mr. Thomas, you live in Jefferson County, but when you get done with your job at Valero,
still
do you
going.
intend to?
She said, guys.
I hope you die, bitch. I hope you die in AIDS, ho.
Yes. Yes.
I'ma kill your bitch ass, bitch. Ellie, I'ma kill you, you fucking whore.
That's gold.
Oh man, look at that.
Move back to Harris County?
I don't know, sir.
Right. When you worked at Exxon, was that out here local or was that back in Houston?
That was out here in local in Jefferson.
So you've been here the last couple of years.
Yes, I've been here. Me and him.
Right. Well, I know he's been here, but I didn't know about you. That's why I was asking about you.
Yes, me and him.
She doesn't know she's muted. What an idiot.
She's been nowhere. I haven't physically seen her, no lie, in 16 years.
Okay. And you said that Jacory called you this morning to take him to the rec center?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, she was like
What
an
time were
angry
you
mom.
planning on What time were you?
Oh, I guess.
Mr. Thomas.
I
what-
guess after
Mr.
this
Tom-
meeting, sir.
Mr. Thomas, what time were you planning on taking Jacory to the rec center today?
Guys, and then this is why you first of all don't smash these 304s. And second of all, guys, don't end up in court. You know what I'm saying? Going through this foolishness. Yikes.
Dude, yeah, how much would you like to have that judge's mute button with you
I know, right?
in everyday life?
Is Jacory not in school?
She's still talking.
I'm trying to figure it out too. The calls be coming over here, they be missing days, but they say he be gone. So I don't know.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Thomas. I'll be right back with you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Miss Gibson, can you unmute for me, please?
I'm just, I look, I'm sorry.
No, Miss
I just,
Miss Gibson. I don't
it's
need.
sad.
Stop talking.
Listen, y'all. I don't know what part of this trial thing y'all don't seem to get.
Yes, sir.
I get to ask the question and then you answer the question.
Yeah, I know. I
I
apologize.
know, but you just can't help yourself, Miss Gibson.
Yeah, because it hurt my son. You just don't know.
If
It hurt him so.
If you would just be patient for just
Yes.
a couple of minutes and
Yes.
answer the questions that I ask you, then I will give you a chance to rant at me about what it is that you think
He
is
said to rant at me, right?
in Jacory's best interest, okay?
Yeah, it hurt because my he
So let
don't
me-
do nothing and he lives down the street.
Let me see if I can ask you some questions. Miss Gibson.
It hurt my son. My son happy. My son, so he went to school. Was like, yes, I hope something will happen.
Is Jacory in school, Miss Gibson?
Yes, sir.
Oh, what school does he attend?
Middle school, and he got A's. He got hundreds A's, B's.
Guys, come on.
You've been had. You've been took.
Come on, man.
Hoodwinked. Bamboozled. Led astray. Run amok.
If you
The
think
middle school?
These two knuckleheads are raising a straight A student. Here's the thing, guys, I'm telling you. Whether it's a a trailer park or like a rural area where it's 99% like white kids out there in the country or black kids in the hood, man. I'm telling you guys, go to like West Virginia, go to Aberdeen, Washington, where there's like 99% white. There's no jobs. 75% of the population's on some type of assistance. There's meth and opioids. Yo, there's violence, drugs. It's literally just like the hood. You know what I'm saying? All the kids are just stuck there. You know what I'm saying? Their parents are bad. You know what I'm saying? It's all parenting. You know what I'm saying? And these two knuckleheads here, I'm telling you, raising the future carjackers of America, man.
What school does he attend?
Smith Middle School. And his oldest brother, he just turned 18. He go to BU. And his daddy committed suicide 5 years ago.
What is that?
What does that have to do with what school Ja'Cory goes to?
Well, I'm just saying, Ja'Cory, he like Chris don't do that. Like he.
And I'm just trying to tell you that I have mental health issues. I'm extremely distraught. I feel like my whole life is ending.
I put him in AA. He loved basketball.
Okay.
That's your only child. What's wrong? I paid for this. You don't pick up. I got him a new phone. I got him a number. I do everything. But that's not fair because I don't have all the means.
Right.
I don't have a boyfriend, somebody to live with me.
You're trying to tell me that Nug Nug doesn't come over, and that's how she gets her weed. You know what I'm saying? Come on. How do you think she gets weed for that blunt? You know what I'm saying?
I'm growing. I want to build.
Yeah, that's right. He's 15. She said he's in middle school. Look at that.
Do you want me to give Mr. Thomas the right to see Ja'Cory on the weekends?
Break the cycle.
Oh, please. Please.
Sir?
Ms. Gibson, do you want me to give Mr. Thomas the right to see Ja'Cory on the weekends? Do you think?
Yeah, sure. I would love it.
Okay. Do you want me to
I would love it. And I want him to
shut up.
Do you want me to order Mr. Thomas to pay you child support?
Judge, you gotta ask. Seriously? You have to ask?
Yes, please, so I can give it to my son. Yes.
Okay. I mean,
please, so we can start opening up the bank account. He can have a little change on his cash app.
Oh, guys, if you think she's gonna do that,
you've been had.
You've
been hoodwinked, bamboozled, led astray, run amok.
Come on.
What you do with the
money? What I do with my money?
What you do with the money?
Dude, shut up.
The money that I pay all my bills ahead of time. So whatever's left over, I buy groceries. I don't get too much to food stamps, so they don't give me that. I got them on
right there, guys. Our tax dollars at work, but she has enough money to buy weed. Okay.
Medicaid.
And get her hair and nails done.
I just, I pay everything in the house. I don't ask them for nothing. Whenever they ask me, I give it. Like he just went to the movies, I gave him $20. He do good in school.
Okay, I think I've heard enough. Mr. Thomas, is there anything else you think I need to know about the case before I make a ruling? You can unmute.
Could I say one thing before your ruling?
Sure. That's why I asked you if there was anything else you think I needed to know.
This really started because she called because she wanted to borrow some money. See, I did a really bad job of getting a lawyer and really having them like speak and talk to me because I be kind of busy at work. She wanted to borrow some money, but I didn't let her borrow money. So I got messages and messages of her telling me, I'm going to pay. I'm going to pay. So I'm not understanding.
Just like a woman.
Right? Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, baby. Yeah,
Oh,
give
you
me
didn't
money.
pay.
You gon' pay. You gon' pay.
Uh-oh.
And I got it,
Uh-oh.
guys. I got to hit her with the.
Always was the black queen, mama.
I give my child money. So what money? So I got to pay when I give her money, and I give her every money. Man, this is what I have to go through. This girl bash me every day on Facebook, calling me sorry about material things. Not nothing like. That's why I said at the beginning of this process. Could you explain child support to her? Child support go on
Facebook.
his needs, not if just because where I work and I make money. Not if he scuff his shoes, he need another pair of them shoes, all different color. Man, I wish you would have heard the first person. This girl kept saying my son should have every pair of shoes that comes
There
out,
she goes
every
again.
pair of Jordans that come out, just because where I work at. Now, man, I love my son to death. I see my son. Just because.
Look at her going
This
up.
is how she got my son.
Yep.
I let him go over there before school started. Me and her got into an argument. She called the police. The police do you got to go to court because they can't remove the child from parent to parent. So they said we had to go to court anyway. So I had to leave him there, and I never went to court. I left him there. I didn't abandon him nothing. So that's how I've been seeing him while he been over there and take care of him over there. And this girl just lied under oath saying I don't do nothing for my child.
Okay.
And if you listen to the stuff she's saying, it's like material stuff that the mother supposed to take care of. Like, all right, why I gotta take care of a haircut and he over there with you for a second? You can pay for a haircut, man. I'm like I said, I did a poor job of blowing messages or sending messages. I got stuff where she said she bought a phone from. That's a lie. She called me sorry, sir. I gave her the money for the phone. After she bought the phone with my money, sent her more money, took the money, sent me a screenshot of the phone that she bought, and called me a sorry ass parent, and was bragging on Facebook about the phone that I bought to everybody. Everybody know I bought the phone. So I don't know, Judge. I don't know, man.
Well,
That's all
we're gonna put the terms conditions in a formal order, Mr. Thomas, and that'll get it squared away. Then y'all won't have to worry about that part of it anymore. Okay?
Please, yeah,
If
please.
you listen to what she say, listen to what she say she wanted though from a year. So I just stopped. My son finna be 15. He said a year and 2 years. So I wait till my son get all the way to 13, 14 to say, hey son, I'm finna be sorry with you. I'm not finna take care of you no more. You
Because I don't want to get
Should have stopped right there.
Here we go.
That's enough.
This is
That's enough. I've tried to explain to y'all how this works, and you don't seem to want to be able to just listen rather than having to talk. Miss Gibson, if you unmute yourself one more time, I'm going to evoke you and reject you and throw you out of my courtroom. Do you understand? Nod your head yes if you understand that you are this close to being removed from the courtroom. You understand? All right, thank you. You don't have to raise your hand, Miss Gibson.
Singing hallelujah.
Oh man, oh man, oh man.
I know that there is lots of things left that you want to tell me. The problem is I don't think there's anything else that either one of y'all is going to tell me that's going to have an impact on how my ruling here. Because this is what I see. I see two people that don't get along very well, but that are trying to do what they can to help Jacory.
Oh, please.
You've been had.
Please.
You've been hoodwinked, bamboozled, led astray, run amok.
Somebody mute that judge.
Come on.
And all I'm going to do in this court order is give you both the right to continue to do that, to do the best that you can to raise this child, hopefully as you've been doing it this time. I'm going to make specific terms, conditions in regards to how Mr. Thomas has the right to visit with the court. And that way he doesn't have to worry about whether or not Ms. Gibson is going to make the child available. Okay? And Mr. Thomas is going to be ordered to pay child support, and he's going to be ordered to pay medical support. And I could have gone back 4 years for back child support, but I'm not going to do that. Okay. So just understand that I listen to both sides of the story, but there still has to be a ruling that gets made. And so I'm going to make that ruling now. Ms. Brownzito, are you ready?
I am, Your Honor.
Ms. Brownzito, the court is going to find that the court has jurisdiction in this case. I've heard the testimony of all the witnesses, and I'm going to decide that it is in his best interest to name the parties as joint managing conservators with Miss Gibson, with the parent with the right to establish the primary residence of the child. All right. Now that primary residence will be required to stay in Jefferson County or a county that touches Jefferson County. That's a local rule as far as the domicile restriction is concerned. I will order Miss Gibson to maintain the health insurance issue. Miss Gibson, I'm making my ruling. When I get done with my ruling, I'll give you some further directions. Okay. So just stand by. I'm going to order that there will be a domicile restriction. I'll order Miss Gibson to maintain the health insurance that she has on the child.
Yeah,
and Mr. Thomas is
we're
going to
paying
pay child
for it.
support according to the wage information that was provided to me by the parties and Ms. Gray. Child support in this case is going to get set at $560 per month plus $125 a month in cash medical. Retroactive child support will be granted, but only in the amount of $5,220. Mr. Thomas will be ordered to repay that at a rate of $75 a month. All payments will begin May the 1st of 2024 and every month thereafter until the child emancipates or otherwise graduates from high school. Mr. Thomas will be responsible for court costs, but I will give him until October 31st of 2024 to pay my court costs. Ms. Brownzito, did the state of Texas hear all the terms and conditions of my court order?
On visitation, it's just standard visitation. Isn't that correct? Okay.
All right. Any other questions, Ms. Brownzito?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Gibson and Mr. Thomas, what's going to happen now is Ms. Brownzito's office is going to send me an order. If it matches what I said here today, I'm going to sign it and get it back to them, and then they're going to make a copy of it and send it to each of you. Now, you don't have to be satisfied with the ruling that I've made today. If either party is dissatisfied with my ruling, you have 3 days with which to file a notice of appeal with the district clerk's office in Jefferson County. Your appeal has to be in writing. You have to file it with the district clerk's office, and you have to tell the referring court what part of my ruling you disagree with. You're also responsible for sending a written copy of that appeal to all the other non-appealing parties. All right, they'll send you a copy of it once I sign it. The hearing is concluded. Ms. Gibson, Mr. Thomas, I appreciate you both being here today. You're both free to go.
Nope, you can't say anything. God, thank God. Now, guys, I was gonna show one where this chick hadn't paid in 7 years, but we can show that at a different time, guys. We'll watch this one and then we'll switch gears, guys. Here we go again, guys. Watch the crocodile tears, and guys, make sure to drop a like on the stream. I'd appreciate that. And guys, once again, I joined the Discord, guys. To check out my Crumble. That's in my About section. I'll drop the link again, and I'll be dropping regular, like, uncensored content over there. So,
Miss Edmondson?
No. Sovereign. What states? So, believe it or not, Texas has good child support laws because the max that you can get. Let's see. Look at this. Total child support obligation for Texas. Look at this. Okay. So the divorce law state the maximum child support amount for one kid is $1,840. Okay? That's the max. So even if you're a multi-millionaire, I think that the most that you can get for 2 kids is like $2,800 or whatever. Yeah, the maximum child support amount is $2,300 for 2 kids. Yeah, and I don't know if it was because there was a bunch of like oil tycoons and billionaires getting divorced, whatever. You know what I'm saying? And then I think the most fair state in the union is Missouri. You know what I'm saying? I think Missouri has some really based laws. Missouri divorce laws. Yeah, I've heard that Missouri's as fair to men as I wouldn't say fair, but they're fair-ish. Yeah, like if you're gonna choose, if you could choose a state to get divorced in, I think it was Missouri's the best state. So you'll get
May I
screwed a
comment
little
on that?
less. Yeah.
I was actually divorced in Missouri, and I pretty much put on the dissolution complaint when I filed that I'm just going to say that this individual is a complete train wreck, and they granted me the divorce.
Oh. Huh. Oh, Michael Norman says his brother got hosed in Wisconsin. Yikes. Michael Norman said that Minnesota is not smart either. So, Michelle, man, thanks for coming on. Hey, remember that I go live Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, man, and then Fridays on my other channel. My other channel is in my in the description for all my videos, man. So make sure you join. And yes, Lynn, that's why Elon Musk has all his kids in Texas. You know.
I don't understand that because that means that y'all just granted him 5 days with his children.
Welcome to Rebel Chaser. My name is Gail. Free his.
So she doesn't want him to get equal parenting time because it'll make the child support go down. This chick's name was Aaron, Aryn. Look at that. And is her name Bowser? Yo, that's fitting, right?
Looks like a Bowser.
Look at that.
Court is now in session. Middle of page 2, Callie Edmondson versus
Jason Burrow, what's going on, my friend?
For the record, this matter is before the court on the objections filed by both parties. First of all, the objections of the plaintiff, Callie Edmondson, to a recommended order that the parties shall continue to share joint legal, joint physical custody of their two children with equal parenting time.
Damn. Jason said, I got divorced in Texas. I got full custody of my 3 sons. She got the money, the house, the vehicles. She was ordered to pay me $247 a month of child support, and he had to pay $1,300 in alimony. Dude, that sucks, man. Yo, that sucks. I'm sorry to hear that, man. But at least you got your kids. You know what I'm saying? So,
in addition, what's before the court is also an objection filed by the defendant, Father Troy.
Why is she all like moving around like Sack Rider, right? Is she on drugs or something? Look.
Layler to
on the upper right.
Recommended order of child support. This hearing is being conducted via Zoom. You are Callie Edmondson, is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, and Troy Layler is also present. The two of you have conferred at length with Ms. Brower in front of the court this morning, who has provided the court the following recommendation. If the court adopts this, it'll become an order of the court. The recommendation is that the referee recommend order be rescinded and canceled. And you're asking the court to do that, Ms. Edmondson, to rescind and cancel that recommended order. And that the parenting time shall be, in lieu of that, this will be the order, that the father's parenting time should be on a 2-week rotation. Week 1 will commence on Friday after school. You have 6 and a 4-year-old, or 5 p.m. if there's no school. Then dad will take the children back to school Tuesday morning or 8 a.m. to you if there's no school. Week 2 for dad will be Friday after school or 5 p.m. for no school to Monday to school or 8 a.m. if no school.
Where is this school?
If there's no school, the paternal grandmother or great grandmother shall transport the children to and from mother's home. Mother shall stay in the home during the exchange. Father's agent or his grandmother or Great-grandmother shall also stay in their vehicle. Children shall be dropped off the curb or driveway to walk into mom's home. The party shall adopt the front of the court holiday schedule, absent an agreement to the contrary. Each party shall have one phone call per day at 7 p.m. when the children are not in their care. Mother shall initiate her calls to the paternal grandmother. Father shall initiate his calls to the plaintiff's sister. There should be no disparaging remarks from either of you or any third party
Like that's going to happen.
regarding in the presence of the children about the other parent, and there should be no corporal punishment, no physical punishment. And if the minor child is sick, the other parent should be notified immediately. Further, that child support shall be modified and shall be in the amount of $222 per month, effective January 1, 2024.
I don't.
That is a recommendation. Ms. Edmondson, do you understand the recommendation?
I understand the recommendation, but I don't agree to it.
Okay.
Here we
What is
go.
your what is it that you don't agree with?
I don't agree with the child support. I don't.
Okay. Okay, unless you can show that Mr. Laidler's income is inaccurate. It's a black and white, it's a formula based on incomes. And child support can go up and down. As Mr. Laidler, if you get laid off, you have no income, Mr. Laidler has an increase, we can always modify child support upon changing circumstances. But there's very little wiggle room in child support. It's based upon incomes. So you claim that Mr. Laidler is misrepresenting his income?
He might be. He may be.
I'm sorry, Miss Edmondson, who else is present in the room?
No, nobody's present. They're not in the room. They're in another room. I'm in the kitchen.
Okay, well, I heard some other person speak up, and this is between you, Mr. Laidler. We shouldn't have third parties putting their 2 cents in.
She's lying.
So if you need to close the kitchen door, we don't want input from any third parties.
The kitchen is wide open. It's connected. It's connected to the
All
living
right.
room.
Well, the court's concerned when you have a third party telling you what to agree to and what not to agree to.
It's not.
Uh,
They weren't even speaking to me.
okay, Mr. Laidler, did you accurately report your income to Ms. Brower this morning?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Edmondson, what evidence do you have that Mr. Laidler is not providing accurate information?
Before this motion, he agreed to giving me $5. He agreed to that, and then on a piece of paper he said that his hours changed, which I think he purposely cut his hours where he doesn't have to financially help me with those children. I also do believe that he wants the children more for selfish reasons where he doesn't have to help me
All
financially.
right, well, hold on. Let's talk about child support right now. Parenting time is another issue. Let's talk about child support.
That's what I'm saying. I'm using that as an example for the child support.
She's upset, guys. Upset.
The original child support recommendation was $501.
Jessica, they don't care. You know what I'm saying? Guys, they have to have drop-off stations for custody at police stations now because there's so much violence. You know what I'm saying? And guys, there's nothing worse. Guys, put a 1 if you've seen some friggin' knucklehead single mom and her new moron cleanup man.
Here I come to save the day.
Go to the pickup and he's like, "Hey man, you ain't gonna talk to my girl like that." And then he tries to fight the baby daddy. Why? Why would you put yourself through that? Why? You see it all the time. You ain't gonna talk to my girl like that, man.
And Ms. Brower, have you reviewed Mr. McKee's recommendation, the basis for that recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, what's the difference between what's being reported today and what's reported to Mr. McKee?
I used the same income, health insurance, and childcare that Mr. McKee did. I modified it to 185 overnights for dad versus 156 that Mr. McKee used, and it did reduce the child support to $222.
Okay. Right. Well, Ms. Edmondson, the court can adopt the recommendation relative to child support if you believe that there is other income there, and then you can file a motion to change that. But that's what the court's can order will be is 222, commencing January 1st, 2024. So let's now talk about parenting time. You disagree with the parenting time recommendation as well?
Sorry,
Ms. Edmondson?
can you repeat that?
The court is adopting the child support recommendation of 222 a month beginning January 1st. So let's now talk about parenting time. Do you also disagree with this parenting time recommendation as well? Is that correct?
Yes, I do disagree with it.
Okay. Now, prior to the recent action.
Whoa, Jason says you got arrested? Yo, what happened? Homeboy came at you? Man, hopefully you friggin' that he looked worse than you did, right?
What was the Mr. Laidler's parenting time? Mr. Laidler, you had every Sunday morning and took the children to, you had every weekend, correct? Sunday morning to school on Tuesday morning, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the court noted that was a past practice, and you also had parenting time every Thursday overnight. Is that correct?
Yes.
Would you agree, Ms. Edmondson, that was the practice in the past until after you separated? Mr. Laidler had every weekend, Sunday to Tuesday, and also every Thursday overnight?
Yes, that's what he had. And also, but before that, I mean, he didn't really care to have those days either, because there will be times where he will choose partying over being kids.
Look at that.
So.
Well, but obviously, if he's not following this parenting time schedule, he's not there with the children. Are you off work on Mondays and Tuesdays, Mr. Laidler?
Did you say was I off Mondays and Tuesdays?
Will you be? This is not parenting time for your mother. This is parenting time for you. Are you off work on Mondays and Tuesdays?
No.
All right. Do you work? What about Mondays?
Yes, I work Mondays.
Okay, but again, so where are the children going to be? Should they be with mom rather than you?
To be at school. I drop them off at school, then go to work.
Okay, well, that's right. The youngest one is in preschool or daycare. Is that correct?
They're both in school.
Okay, they're both in the same facility?
Yes, same school.
All right. So you'll be able to get them to school, and you'll also be available to pick them up?
Yes.
All right. All right. I guess that I forgot that they're school age.
My God, look at her. Go back a second.
She was not far off, Miss Edmondson. I forgot that they're school age.
Yeah, second child, dude. Right, let's get
Who's
back,
going to watch
guys.
your children every other Saturday when you're working?
To be my grandmother and my mother. They both help.
Okay, they should be with mother. Miss Edmondson, do you work on Saturdays?
No.
You think this knucklehead works? Please.
Okay.
On the street corner, maybe.
Browser, some way we can modify this that or maybe just add a sentence that on the course of claim to adopt the recommendation, but maybe alternating Saturdays when Mr. Laidler is working, the children shall be returned to mother. I know it's a lot of going back and forth. Mr. Laidler, are you willing to make this work? And the Saturdays that you are working, you will notify that you will return the children to Miss Edmondson.
Children, plural.
Yes, if I could get a weekday in replacement of that Saturday.
Well, we're not going to bounce kids around. I mean, let's try to. It's sort of complicated right now. I'm not going to overcomplicate this. Any thoughts, Ms. Brower?
Your Honor, we could modify days where the parties rotate Saturdays instead of Tuesday, and that would
might be
alleviate
the
the
answer.
issue.
That might be the.
Look at all this, guys. All this.
That
all
perhaps
because
is a reasonable
homeboy
solution.
shot up the club, man.
So in other words, during the week that Mr. Laidler is working on a Saturday, the child will be with mom.
All right, let's get ahead, guys.
Laidler, which Saturday are you working? This Saturday or next?
Okay, just hold on, Miss Emerson. Would that work with the children? Or the children's your mother?
Why is she bugging out?
Until Sunday
would be.
Well, she's trying to think. Her head is hurting, guys.
It'd be next Saturday. I'll be working that day, not this coming.
24th. The 24th. It'll be the 24th of February, correct, Mr. Laidler?
Yes.
All right. So this weekend, Mr. Laidler would have parenting time. Well, actually, today's Wednesday. So, Mr. You recommend this take effect immediately, Ms. Brower, that Mr. Laidler would pick up the children from school today?
Yes, Your Honor.
No reason why we shouldn't. So, do you understand what's being discussed and recommended, Ms. Edmondson?
No.
No.
Ah, there it is.
Okay. So, the court's going to order parenting time as follows. If you have a problem with it, you can talk to an attorney. The father's parenting time will be week 1, which will start today. So, Dad will pick up the children from school today at 4:00. Dad, Mr. Lady, do you have clothing for the children?
Yes, sir.
Do you have beds for the children?
Look
yes,
at that.
Sir.
Do you have car seats?
Yes, sir.
All right. And obviously, the 6-year-old will have homework. You need to make sure you go through the backpack and review what needs to be done for the following day of school. So this will be the week 1. Dad will pick up today from school, and he will return the children to mom on Sunday at 9 a.m. The following week, Dad will have parenting time on Wednesday. That's the 21st of February after school, and he'll return to mom on Saturday, the 24th of February at 9 a.m. because he's working that day. And you'll alternate that every week. So do you understand the recommendation, Miss Edmondson?
Nope.
Miss Edmondson?
I'ma kill your bitch ass, bitch!
Perfect.
I hope you die, bitch! I hope you die of AIDS, ho!
He's definitely peeking on something, though.
Oh, man.
No, I don't understand that because that means that y'all just granted him 5 days for his children. I didn't even get to see my children this week, so I'm literally about to go another 5 days without seeing my children.
Okay. Is that correct, Mr. Laidler? You've had children for the last 5 days?
Yes.
Yes, I had them.
All right, so we'll start this. That's a good point. So, Mr. Laidler, we're going to start this the following Wednesday, the 21st. I mean, obviously, if you've had children the last 5 days, the children will start your parenting time on the 21st of February. So you're going to pick them up after school on Wednesday, 21st. You're going to deliver them to mom on Saturday morning, the 24th.
Okay.
So mom will pick up the kids from school today. Your parenting time will start a week from today, Mr. Laidler. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Miss Edmondson, I wasn't aware that the children have been with Dad the last 5 days. Perhaps we should also indicate in the recommended order, Ms. Brower, that the party shall share joint legal. So we're just going to do just joint legal, and the parenting time is set forth in the recommendation.
Yes, Your Honor.
The last order of July 19th reference, the mom had sole legal, but there's been, it appears that the parties should not to agree upon joint legal, make equal decisions regarding their welfare. All right, Miss Edmondson, again, I understand you may not agree with this, and obviously if the two of you can be on the same page as parents, you know what's best for your schedule and that of your children. Work together, co-parent your children. You want them to do well in life. There's enough challenges in life. Make things good for each other and the children.
They don't.
So if in fact you two agree to modify parenting time, you can come back for this court.
Speak in Japanese.
But if you cannot agree, then the court has to decide these matters, and you don't want the court raising your children. So until further, the court parenting time will be as follows. Dad will have on a 2-week rotating basis. Dad's parenting time will start on Wednesday, a week from today. That's February 21st. After school, pick them up and return to mom at 9 a.m. Saturday morning, the 24th. The following week, Dad will have parenting time on Wednesday, the 28th, until Sunday, the 20th, that'll be March 3rd on Sunday.
Is there any chance that it can change if my circumstance?
I'm sorry, is there possibly can change your circumstances?
Yeah.
Yes, obviously, if it does not work out, you can file a petition with the court saying, Judge, it's not working out. We want to modify it.
No, I'm saying is if my circumstances change, will this court order change?
Not automatically. You need to present to the court your change of circumstances, so that Dad's aware of the change of circumstances, and we can discuss that together.
This judge has a weird accent, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
Also, y'all granted him 5 days out of the week, and I only get 4. How are we splitting 7 days throughout?
Obviously, she doesn't know how to count.
Wait,
is
hold on. Hold on. Okay. Let's pump the brakes here.
So the
God.
There's a reason why
you
there's
can
a
give it
channel
5
called
days.
Home Math.
And I'm getting a 4.
Yeah. That makes sense. Yeah.
Guys, I've heard a lot of dumb stuff watching these things, but this has to be in the Mount Rushmore of moronic things I've ever heard. Look at that, man. Why does he get 20 hours in the day and I get 7?
Yeah, that's what it sounds like.
Oh man! Don't worry, here, coach. Put me in the 5th quarter.
Next she's gonna forget how many kids she has.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Well, 1 week he's only going to have 3 nights: Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and you'll have 4 nights that week.
Okay, I didn't hear you correctly.
Okay, sure.
Well, for example, we're going to start a week from Wednesday. Okay, the 21st. If you look at the calendar, a week from today, and he'll pick up after school on Wednesday. He'll have Wednesday night, Thursday night,
9
Friday
days
night,
from today.
Saturday morning, because he's working 9 a.m. And then the following week, he'll have 4 nights and you'll have 3 nights. So it's relatively equal parenting time. If in fact this does not work, either one of you can petition the court to modify it. But the children deserve to have as much time with each parent as possible. And it appears in the past, Mr. Layler's had at least 3 overnights per week: Sunday, Monday, and Thursdays. So it's not significantly different from what you practiced in the past. Again, each party shall have 1 phone call per day. You can call the children when they're dad's care, or dad. You can they should call it the paternal. You can call the plaintiff's Miss Edmondson's sister, and Miss Edmondson. You can call the paternal grandmother. You got her phone number. You can call at 7 o'clock to talk with the children.
So I don't have a phone anymore. I can't really do that. So it's okay.
She expects us to believe she doesn't have a phone,
She
guys.
was holding a pink phone earlier.
Yeah. Yep. Nope. It's true.
Well, maybe you can borrow a phone.
I'm
borrow
not.
a phone.
I'm not going to borrow nobody's phone. No,
She doesn't have any friends. What are you talking about?
it's okay because I'll run away.
Okay. All right. So please work together. Ms. Edmondson, Mr. Ladler, work together to make life a lot easier for each other and the children. All right. Do you have any questions about this schedule, Mr. Ladler?
No, sir.
And Ms. Edmondson, do you have any further questions? Okay. If in fact it doesn't work out, either of you can petition the court to modify this. So, Ms. Edmondson, you get forms at the front of the court. And talk to your caseworker. You can file a motion in a month from now if it's not working out, and explain to the court why it's not working out. The court will look at it and modify it if necessary. Okay?
Yep.
Okay. All right, now, please, Rachel, go zoom out.
A couple of things I noticed while watching this video. The mother said she thinks his motivation for wanting 50-50 time was that he didn't want to pay the child support. But her motivation for not wanting him to have 50-50 time
because she wanted
is that
child
she
support.
wanted more money in child support.
Yep.
And it sounded like, it wasn't completely documented there, but it sounded like she doesn't have a job. She needs a job.
Yeah.
She should be paying 50% of what it takes to raise the kids. The other thing I noticed was there was somebody in the room. She lied to the court about that.
Yep.
And
Yeah, I
he
believe
was
that. I
prodding
believe that.
her on what to say.
Yep.
And she still got screwed over.
That's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, and the best thing for the kids is for dad to have them 50% of the time. That is the best thing for the kids, to have a father that cares, a father that's there. Even if his original motivation is money, it's best that he spend that time with his kids. That's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching.
Seriously. Garlic croutons, dude.
That's not who she sounds like.
A little bit. Yeah.
Guys. Well, we all know what time it is now, guys. We're gonna switch things up just a little bit.
That's the sound of the police.
guys, buckle in for this. Let me change up the ambiance. Guys, for those of you guys who might not know, I have a second channel that's specifically for body cam footage called 50 and 304s, guys. So please go over there and sub. I'll drop the link to that. Once again, guys, on Crumble, I will be dropping 50 and 304 stuff that'll get demonetized on YouTube. So, yeah, man. Well, you guys go over there and check that out. I actually have one of those dropping at midnight, I think. So go over there and check that out. And yeah, guys, let's get into this. Hold on, wrong one. Oh, hold on, sorry guys. I gotta keep the race card out. Look at this. Oh! It's time! Let's go, dude. Let's go. Yeah, watch. Guys, they sprayed the pepper spray. They gave him the hot sauce, dude.
I think your image is frozen.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys.
Yeah.
And we can barely hear it.
Guys, tell me I have the wrong screen. Oh, here we go, guys. You guys are killing me here. Jameson, you're supposed to say, hey, the screen's not moving.
I stepped out of the room for a minute.
Okay, I'm blaming Brent.
Yeah, Brent, come on.
He's Canadian, dude. So you know.
That explains everything.
Listen. I am the mama. But you put your hands on my head, mom. You put your hands on my head.
Oh, this is good.
Like I said.
Oh boy.
Let's go. Now here we go.
English translator
Put
for
your hands
this.
on your back now.
Put
Your hands on your back.
I got a little bit of OC. All them been coming up for her all day. This dude been kicking on the doors, the windows, and everything. They just fight.
You bastard, you're missing on me choke on the ball.
Look at that, dude. They gave him the hot sauce, dude.
Give me your arm.
Listen to that.
Let's get her up. You good? Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
I can't see the whole.
She's surprisingly calm for having been maced. Obviously, this is not her first rodeo.
Yep. She's built up her immunity.
Yep.
Okay. Hold on. Okay.
Sorry, I got to see it a little bit.
Which way?
Okay, go straight.
Who you need me to call? I can't see.
We got.
Dang, guys, you can just smell the chicken grease.
Clearwater.
The fire department on the way, okay?
Oh shit! Yeah, that shit burns. Oh shit! I can't see.
This is mine. It's probably gonna be better just to sit her on the back right now, though, and wait for FD. We're just gonna sit you on the bumper, okay? I'm good.
You got her right in the face. Look at that.
Did you spray? Who sprayed?
Shit.
Who still does
He
the
backspurred
PT
himself.
Cruiser in 2024?
Yeah, she hit me too.
Wait, the female cop, of course, sprayed everyone, including her own guys. You know what I'm saying? And
It figures.
I tell you guys, female cops are useless. And you guys will see in the video that I dropped on Rumble that I'm gonna drop tomorrow, guys. Female cops are useless.
I love watching a female SWAT team fail at the first obstacle.
Oh, that was hilarious, right? Hilarious.
That was so stupid. You just sprayed 2 cops. Have fun with that charge.
That wasn't me.
Oh, it wasn't a female cop. It was one of them. It was one of them.
Oops.
Look at that. It was one of them. She got so the chick's up pepper sprayed her and the cops. Yikes, dude! Look at that. Death proof. What's going on, man?
Howdy.
Dude, you were going to jail. Yeah. You had to get pepper sprayed and tased too.
Oh yeah, I've seen video of my cousin when he was in the academy getting tased.
Not fun. He said, "But B-Dub's hairspray is stronger than any mace." Just let it shine through, yeah. You remember? Coming to America, the Soul Glow.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey, LT. Yeah, they OC'd over me and Zara and got both of us. Who sprayed the OC, do you know? Hey, I understand it hurts. The fire department's on the way. The more you rub, the more it's gonna hurt.
Shit. Shit.
Yeah. We're gonna go this way, okay? Okay, don't worry. I'm gonna guide you, okay?
Clearwater, Florida.
Ohio, Florida.
Wait, just wait 1 second. I'll let you drive by this car. Yeah. She went over the top of me.
The fire department's be pulled in here so you get blocked in if you don't get out.
Shit.
Yeah, the situation's calm. They're okay.
She can sit in your car while we wait. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to put her in the... My car's way down here. I don't know whose car this is. I don't know.
I have baby wipes, so I think you're just gonna.
No, it's just the residual. Yeah, it's just the residual.
Anything that you should have.
You better get some milk.
you check her real quick, Sergeant, before we put her in?
Come in, they'll put water on you. However, it's gonna react to it.
Water makes it work. Death proof. Thanks for the 5 pounds, Gov.
Seriously. Garlic croutons, dude.
Let me just make sure these are done.
Oh, hey, Vulcan. What's up, man? Guys, Vulcan just found my my crumble while I was still setting stuff up, and he subbed over there. So he was the very first sub I had over there. So round of applause for you, sir.
And don't
I was number
don't open
4.
Yeah.
mouth.
You know what,
The 4th baby daddy.
Jameson, round of applause for you too. I gotta figure out the day that I want to stream on Rumble because it'll be nice not having to worry about some of the stuff that we gotta worry about over here. You know, so.
Hello.
Alright, let's skip ahead. This guy's
All those other officers.
coughing.
If he wouldn't have been banging on my door and my window, he wouldn't have got maced. He the one who came up kicking on the door and hit punched my mom in the face.
Wait.
All right. So where's the kids at? Let's start.
I think they're way down there with all those other officers.
Okay, now let's see what after you maced
If he
him.
wouldn't have been banging on my door and my window, he wouldn't have got maced. He the one who came up kicking on my door and hit punched my mom in the face. And I'm pressing charges on
So
you.
what? Wait! This knucklehead who's covered in mace, she maced herself too.
It kind of sounds like it.
That's the chick right there. I thought that she had got maced because it looks like it was straight in her face. So she tried to mace everyone, but she got herself.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Yeah, I'm pressing charges on you. I'm pressing charges on you.
Get a video. Please get a video because I don't get at all. Get a video.
All this screaming is how this started, and you're starting screaming again.
Hey guys, wherever this is, don't go to Palmetto in Clearwater, Florida. Palmetto Street, I guess. Anywhere on this street is not a good place to live. Dude, is that Big Bird in the background?
I was trying to figure out what the hell that was. For a minute, and I thought it was a fire hydrant.
Follow that bird, right?
No, it looks like a banana. That's probably Lizzo.
Look at that. Sorry, guys. Let's skip ahead.
Flushing it. I don't have a whole lot of water I can. Did you get hit?
Yeah.
You want me to flush your eyes with a little sterile water?
I feel like that'll make it burn more,
Well, no. The best thing you can do is keep flushing it, and flushes it out. Time and flushing it. I don't have a whole lot of water I can do it with, but I got enough that'll probably help you a little bit. Okay?
Robert Green, you are correct. Palmetto is probably close to MLK Drive, man. Guys, anywhere in any town, don't go to MLK Street. Don't do it, dude. Don't do it. Dan, what's going on? Dan the man. Over in Bangkok. What's up, man?
Is it real bad? Unbearable? If you don't want to do it, I won't do it. Okay. All right.
I just don't want to make it worse.
All right, let's skip ahead, guys. This is
Damn well they want me.
At the very least.
Jesus Christ.
Where's the job of the hut clip?
Look at this thing. Look at this thing, dude. Who let this thing out of the zoo?
Is that Biz Marquee?
Man.
Look at that.
Biz Marquee.
Holy moly.
Oh, baby.
Look at
Wow.
that. Holy
That deserves a
moly.
double.
You the mama.
Man,
Why you letting your
if you're
dog
not
come
here to
down
like give her water or anything, could you just head over there? No, I'm asking you to move over there right now, okay?
You're asking me or you're telling me?
Oh, please. Hey, man. She will eat you, man.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Raw.
I'm asking you right now.
Okay. But you gonna tell me I can't stand here and talk to her?
Yes.
She's not under arrest. She's just.
Oh, yes, she is.
I'm under arrest. What did I do?
I believe so.
But what did I do?
I was told that you were the one who sprayed the OC.
No,
So
I didn't.
No, she didn't.
Y'all
Okay.
put me to the ground. How
well, as of right now, at the very least, you're being detained.
They need somebody to blame.
Dude, she's winded just standing.
I already told that man what door I was at to come see me.
No, but they know that wasn't me. They knew damn well that wasn't me. They saw. They knew that wasn't me. They threw me on the ground. How can it be me that throwing me on the ground?
You have me in jail too.
Guys, earthquake!
Wow.
They could call her Richter. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like Richter scale.
By the way, Steve, OC stands for obese preacher.
Yeah.
That's information.
All right.
Just 2 seconds.
April O'Neil.
Hold on, guys. There's one that I'm gonna find here. Oh.
The one down there. She's claiming she did not spray anyone.
Look at that.
Okay.
Of course, the charges.
I thought that's why I took her down, because I thought.
Of course. Anyways, guys, here we go.
Yeah.
Guys, there's gonna be one sound effect that sums this whole thing up. Okay.
I didn't do anything. I was drinking a beer. Why can't I drink a beer?
Robert says, "I've seen top heavy, but now I've seen front heavy."
Yeah.
Look at that.
Full on like King
Look
Fupa.
at that, man.
I know. I knew.
6-1 David, boy, Henry Edwards.
I know.
Let's get you home. Where do you live?
Nah.
You live with roommates? You live with mom?
Nah.
Parents?
Nah. No, I'm being apprehended. Why am I being apprehended? No.
Why am I being apprehended?
No. Why was I? No. Why?
Look at that. Yo, you know what? This cop already deserves a round of applause. Look at that.
Why am I being apprehended?
Do not fight.
No, why am I being apprehended?
Cask, ale, and kitchen.
This is her school bus. Yeah. We got put up that custom. I don't think she hit anybody.
Over Florida.
Who did I hit?
I don't know. They were trying to cut you off from drinking. All right. I don't know what happened after that.
Okay.
What's your name?
Can you comment?
My name is Shukra.
One of our bartenders.
Do you mind if I catch someone's name for the report? Sure.
Yeah, mine. I'm all about it.
Lucy smart to glove up.
Huh?
You smart enough to glove up?
Yeah, please.
It's Florida again, too.
They have my name in the system.
I got you.
All right,
Do you have anyone that can come pick you up or no?
Nothing.
Where's your phone at? Where's your phone at?
Stuff's all here. Yeah.
Get her picked up.
I don't want anybody.
Look at your phone. Look at it.
Yeah, I don't want no one to pick up.
Do your password.
No.
We're trying to help you. Do you want to go sleep at the hospital instead? Type in your password.
You don't know what's supposed to be my life.
Type in your password.
She doesn't want her
We're trying to
phone?
help you.
I'm surprised.
You really want to go to the hospital? You don't have any other choice.
You ain't no shit.
I am you peg.
Yeah, Steve. He said, you and your brother, something great here since you're here to start a fund of the rights of men. So produce a 30-minute video. Though you both have the talent, needs to happen. Let's see here. Let's see.
Seriously. Garlic croutons, dude.
The funniest thing is Doug and PA and I we want to start doing more collabs and stuff, but our schedules are different. You know what I'm saying? So like, but we actually do plan on doing more stuff because we're trying to be on each other's streams more. You know what I'm saying? But our schedules are just so different. But as far as like, guys, here we go. I was on I think it was like MGTOW Cowboys channel a while ago. He had a live stream and he was like, "Yeah, we're gonna change the laws." And guys, that's not gonna happen. It's not. These laws are never gonna change. My thing is, guys, the best way to win a game that's rigged is not to play it at all, right? The only thing men haven't done en masse is walk away. Seriously, that's the only thing that's going to make things change, right? And what guys need to do is understand, A, how valuable you are, and B, okay, so for instance, guys, I don't blame 304 for things, I blame simps. You know what I'm saying? Guys, our biggest enemy is tradcons and simps. Because the thing is, well, mostly simps, right? There would be no money grubbing, knuckleheaded 304s if there wasn't any simps. Just like there wouldn't be any drug dealers if there wasn't anyone doing drugs. You know what I'm saying? So like, what happened?
No, go ahead. I'll ask.
No, so like, I mean, I understand what MRAs try and do when they're trying to go out there and advocate, but they're just like talking to a brick wall. Men are basically pulling, like I said, like a rickshaw. We're pulling the wagon of women up a hill in the snow on ice, right? What we need to do is just let the wagon go and just let them fall down the mountain. You know what I'm saying? That's the only way that they're gonna learn, because we've tried everything else, guys. When they can label MRA as as the same type of group as those guys who wear the white sheets, that's crazy, huh? How are we supposed to compete with that? How? You know what I mean? Men do the most when we vote with our wallets and our feet, you know, and that's what I think is the most empowering part about the red pills. It's about choice. It's about choice. You can choose to date. You can choose not to date. You can choose to be a monk. You can choose to be MGTOW. You can be black pill, red pill, or whatever. You can be fine. You can either choose to get married if you want. If you go overseas, find a good... That's a choice, but it's about choice. But old school society is real men have to blank, and that's not what we say over here. You know what I'm saying? Vulcan says, and Matt is getting out there. Okay, and guys, let's jump in the DeLorean and go back in time. Guys, I've been looking at this type of content on YouTube, I want to say since 2015, I think.
Yeah, when all
around there. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, with like Tom Likas and stuff, I've been listening to like Red Pill since the 90s. But, guys, every like 15 months, 16 months, oh, the Red Pill is dead. Oh no, pearly things came and took over the Red Pill. Or all for the guys, the Red Pill's not going anywhere. Right? Oh, Kevin Samuels passed away. The Red Pill is dead. You know what I'm saying? Guys, the Red Pill's just fine. Because just like I said, Jameson, how many times have we talked about where is it? Hold on. Remember this?
Oh, I saw a vehicle that had hauled that tanker.
Nope.
You want to get out of here?
Talk to me.
Audio is really low again.
Right? Guys, every time a guy gets his balls burned in a divorce, that's us. We're Mad Max sitting on the tires, right? Every time that some simp is worshiping some broad and taking her out and doing all this stuff because he's in the friend zone and he finds out that she gets pregnant by Nug Nug or Pookie or Chad. Here we are sitting on the tires. You know what I'm saying? Guys, as long as men keep getting screwed over, the red pill's gonna be just fine. We get stronger and stronger every day because there's more and more of us. And here's the thing, guys. Everyone put your age in here. I know, Jameson, you're my age, right? So I'm 43.
A little younger, 42.
Yeah, and Angel, you're what, 58? You said, if I remember correctly. And then Britt, how old are you?
36.
So, guys, look at how many different age groups. With 42, 30, 34, 55, 51. You know what I'm saying? Guys, the internet, like YouTube and the internet has always been like a younger person's thing. Guys, these young guys, these Gen Z and millennials, a lot of them are red pilled anyways. It was the older guys that had to get the program because we were raised blue pill brainwashed. You know what I'm saying? We actually needed this content more than anyone else, believe it or not. So now we have spaces where there's guys that are, like I said, in their 60s, 50s, 40s, 30s, 20s, and teens, all talking about the same things. I would think that means that our space is actually getting more powerful. Our message is getting out there. You know what I'm saying? And that's why they're scared. That's why they have to say, "Oh, the red pill is dead." And And here's the beautiful thing to it, guys. I'll get back into this. And Dan says, "Join him overseas." Facts, dude. Guys, Diesel's 22. Look at that. So we have 22 to 66 in here, guys. What makes a person red pill is all you got to do is say you are. That's it. There's no decoder ring. There's no membership card. You just are or you're not. And this decentralization is one of the things that makes this space so powerful. Why it'll never go away. They will never be able to shut us down. And our message is going to always get out there. You know what I mean? So, anyways, I digress.
Bitch! We're trying to help you. Yeah, I know. I knew.
6-1 David, boy, Henry Edwards.
I know. Let's get you home. Where do you live? No.
Robert says he's been a monk since 2003, since after his divorce. Look at that.
Nah. You live with roommates? You live with mom? Nah. Parents? Nah.
Wow, you're annoying.
You think I'm drunk, but that's not it. I just have mental health issues.
Oh, I love that woman.
Oh, that's
Let's get
like
someone to come pick you up.
Guys, I'm gonna let this play. I'll be right back.
Who we call? I literally asked him to sit up to his face. What's your first name? Jack? What? Rachel. Who can we call to come pick you up? Katie. All right, Katie. Yeah. Can you unlock your phone so we can call Katie? Thank you. I don't know. Her number's in your phone, though. Okay. Unlock it. I know, but just press it in, okay?
Just emotional.
Just type it in, okay? And I'll call her. She'll just come get you.
AJ, guys, I have to go,
over.
okay?
Hang on, let me delete them.
Have a good night.
I know.
Take it easy, brother.
Sometimes it's hard. Here, start over. Start over, okay?
I know. Jesus.
How do you carry this thing around?
I know. I know.
Go ahead and type it in. Alright, hang on. So, tell me again. Here. Go ahead and type it in one more time, sweetie. Right? Go ahead and start from the beginning. Do you know Katie's phone number?
Yeah.
You know it by heart?
Yeah.
What is it? What's Katie's phone number?
What are you trying to do? Like,
I'm just trying to call her to get you a ride home.
God.
That's it. Can you
We
come
don't want
here
your
with Katie?
crying ass in our car.
No.
Jeez.
Okay, let's call Katie though. What's her phone number?
I don't want to bring her.
I'm telling you guys, only 304s go out by themselves and get this trashed. You know what I'm saying? Insane. Because we all know that if guys go out and get this drunk 9 times out of 10.
That's the one thing I like, living in the middle of nowhere. I live in the middle of nowhere. It takes like 2.5 kilometers to bike or walk home.
You see Brent just walking through the woods with a fifth. What up? Mountain
That's
Man.
also doing the bicycle.
We gotta get you home, okay? We need this. Just cooperate with us, okay? What's her number? It's like a 1 minute.
Yep. And then it goes 20.
All this trouble
What
just
is
to
your
try and get her a
passcode to
ride
your
home.
phone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it?
Pull it through.
What is your passcode? Is it your birthday?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it though?
Well, that's stupid.
You know what first?
What happened?
I had a buddy get so hammered at a goddamn metal concert, he kind of acted the same way. Because he wasn't used to a mosh pit or the wall of death. And he's like, you guys just left me in there. And it's like, we didn't even know where you were in the mosh pit or the wall of death. He just jumped in randomly, and then next thing you know, he got so bloody hammered. He's like, you guys didn't even help me up. I got stepped on. And it's like, yeah, it's a metal concert, dude. It's not like it's exactly freaking Cully.
Yeah, dude, what are you doing?
Like, I've had my face split open on a concrete pillar.
That's my kind of concert, man. You
It's my
understand?
buddy's metal band. We were up in Oshawa, Ontario, in a place called the Dungeon.
I
And we were all getting hammered and whatnot, and then all of a sudden, the friggin' mosh pit starts. Well, I ended up fighting with one of the drummers for the metal band, so we were both bloodied when he went up on stage, and I was headbanging to it.
Hey guys, don't go to concerts with Brent. Brent's gonna he's gonna get in a fight with the dude in the band.
You didn't say anything when you started.
It's right around here. It's in the front.
I'm parked right over there if you need me to just grab it.
It's still going.
Let's go grab my car.
Wait, can he submit?
You gotta go to the hospital.
No, I don't.
Give me a phone number.
No, I don't. Because you
Rachel.
just no, I do not.
We're trying to
because you just said no, I do fucking not. No.
Careful.
That's not a good idea.
No, I know it's not.
That is not a good idea.
No, I know it's not. No! Fuck you! No, you fucking... No, you're not!
Yeah.
No, you're not!
Okay, now I'm into her.
It's time.
No, you're not! No, you're not! No, you're not! No, you're not!
Don't tase me, bro.
Tase me, bro. I need to get that sound effect.
Yeah.
No, okay, tase me. No, tase me. Tase me.
Rachel, relax.
No, tase me. Tase me.
No.
Oh, okay.
Go get my-
Well,
go,
tase me.
Michael.
No. Tase me. Tase me. Tase me. Oh, you're not going to tase me?
No.
Okay. Well, my...
Look at that.
All
Yes,
right,
shut
well,
up.
Hey! Yeah!
Hey, I'm on
Fuck
methadone.
you. Tase me! Tase me! Tase me! What do you mean? Oh, don't you fucking...
Wait, are her
Wait.
pants torn?
Not just that. Is she missing shoes too, or one shoe?
Yeah. One of her shoes is gone.
Yeah, that's actually how she went out for the night.
Oh,
Forgot to put the other one on.
Scratch it.
yeah, tase me.
Car batteries and other
Oh, just- you
can be
wait.
fun.
I know you think that I'm poor.
Austin.
I don't think you're poor.
Only you can tase me.
Yeah. Yeah. No, don't you put me up. No. Fuck you. Fuck you. Yeah, that's right.
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Put me in place.
Yeah.
Because I have epilepsy.
We're going to
And I feel like I'm gonna have a fucking epileptic seizure. I'm scared.
You and me both.
Relax, breathe. You're gonna make it worse.
No. Oh, you think I'm gonna make it much worse? I'm scared.
Just breathe.
Oh damn!
Oh, sorry, guys. Guys, here we are again, just like Tuesday, right, guys?
Yeah, another Ned Beatty.
Well, you guys caught up on the Terminator movies?
I stopped watching them, dude. I mean, what was the last one that was out?
Dark Fate.
Yeah, that piece of trash one with the.
Yeah, I didn't watch that one, but I think it's the one with John Connor where the Terminator acts like a victim.
Oh, that garbage one.
Genesis?
No, the one before with Christian Bale.
Oh.
Salvation?
Yeah. What was it called?
Salvation's right, yeah.
Yeah.
One where Christian Bale was yelling at people.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's the T-304 version of that. She just sits there and screams and hopes she can bring someone in, like a siren.
So. Jesus.
Sounds like a monkey's mating call.
Sorry, guys. I gotta turn this down.
Holy fuck. Wait, and
You're
here
gonna trigger
we have
Brent.
we have the distress call of the howling mating monkey.
Yikes.
She's a bonobo.
I don't care about you. Get an ambulance. No, I don't care about. They're not cops. They're not. Oh, I don't care. Okay. I don't care about if they're cops. Trust me, bitch. I've been fucking. Yeah, please help me.
You've been what?
No, I just need help. I need
One of her
help.
pants are torn.
Please, please, yeah, please. They're hurting me. Please. Please.
We'll take care of you.
My arms are hurting.
You want to stand up?
You wouldn't help me.
She's got 2 torn rotator cuffs.
Stand up now. Oh. Yeah, they'll help me stand up now.
Okay, now I can turn the sound back up.
I just don't want to kick the bus and then it gets worse.
Yeah. Don't. No. I know. Yeah.
Carla says she's having flashbacks to the last Canadian mosh pit she was in.
You have epilepsy?
Yeah.
Okay, would you be okay if some firefighters come and look at you? Yeah?
Depends.
The paramedics are gonna come check on you. All right? All right, we're almost here.
They're just.
They're gonna come check on you.
Just do me a favor.
Okay.
Her ID's right there. Just take a picture of it. I'm gonna get you.
Go ahead.
Her ID's on the trash. If you can take a picture of it. And
Yeah.
her phone's there too.
Please
Yep.
make sure you take a picture of mine because they tried
Nice,
to
Carlos.
accuse me of.
No, don't grab me.
Oh no! Don't be a bitch. Oh, you don't want to look at me? You want to look at me? Well.
Wait, is she missing cultural shoes and wearing mismatched socks?
I don't know.
I hope you die of AIDS, ho! Wait. Well, am I camera budget?
That's all you have to do.
Okay.
Making sure you don't get hurt.
Hey, look. Hey, can we get a recommendation? Am I?
Ambulance is on the way.
Yeah, I get it. And you people have been taking control of me.
Hey, AJ, I think Steve nailed
My
it.
brother.
What's that?
Yeah.
Well, he said that screaming she was giving was the simp mating call.
Oh, yeah. I guarantee. Yeah, facts. There's always these knuckleheads that are trying to come around. Hey, man, she's a woman. She a female. Don't do that to her, man. You know what I'm saying? Come on.
Here I come to save the day.
I tell you guys, guys, drop a 1 if you've seen some dude step in for some chick that he didn't even know and just get stomped out, dude.
Yep, definitely a 1.
Happen, dude. I've seen it happen, man. Yo, leave him alone. It's not worth it.
Yeah. Smile. While you take. Oh, what are you taking a joy of?
Taking a joy of.
What did you take tonight? You fat fucking sicko.
I'm taking joy in the fact you're an idiot.
You're not in trouble, okay? We're just trying to help you.
You know, drunk guys are so much funnier.
Yeah, because they don't usually just drop down and cry.
I've been on a lot of porter calls, and the MPs would be bringing the guy back to the ship, and the guy's just cracking jokes. The MPs are trying not to laugh, but they're still dragging him. They're like, "Get your drunk carcass in here."
Because you're gonna be okay. Yeah, I know.
Just keep talking to me.
Yeah.
King Mary again, item 5A. The black Mercedes will be on the Twin Bridges.
Twin Bridges.
White, black Camaro at the...
Did you say white or black Camaro?
A car was gonna be teal earlier, and it was
This is indecisive.
tea green. I was like, oh.
Just skip ahead, guys.
I'm just gonna take a look at you.
Oh, okay. Please. Yeah.
I just want to make sure you're okay.
Yeah. I'm a wonder. No. There.
Are you able to walk with us over?
Yeah, but also, do you see what they're doing to me?
I keep expecting her to say, "Yeah, I want my money and my crouton."
And I want my medication, and I want my croutons, please.
All right, Michael Norman, have a good one, pal. You know, guys, I don't know, guys. What do you think she's drunk off of? I mean, it doesn't matter because he probably didn't pay for the drinks anyways. You know what I'm saying? All these
tequila and something else.
White Claws.
There ain't no law when it's a White Claw.
Why did I misbehave?
You were grabbing me.
Why was I misbehaving you?
I don't know.
No.
Hang on.
I know. Why am I being? No, I was okay. I'm being apprehended. Why am I being apprehended?
We're taking it off.
No.
You're exactly right, Dragon. She's getting off on this.
Yeah.
Yeah, she just wants the attention.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
And again, my
One more
blood
test, okay?
alcohol content and similar.
Why am I being apprehended?
Do not bite.
No, why am I being apprehended? No, why? No, why are you apprehending me?
You're being detained for your own safety.
No, I'm not. No, why am I?
You guys just grab her.
No!
Grab her.
No! Why is this happening?
Here we are again.
Get the burrito wrap. That is the best.
Now, you know what'd be a hilarious prank for like these moments? If the guys carried around hair clippers in the car and be like, if you don't cooperate, it's all coming off. Yeah, look like Sinead O'Connor.
That's what they do in Thailand when they catch the 304s through a 304. They shave their heads because they know
Really?
that they can't be hoeing again until their hair grows back. Yeah,
That's the most epic thing I've heard of.
There's all sorts of funny jokes I could throw into that. We can't do that here.
We'll do it on Crumble.
Yeah.
I was gonna say,
my God!
JD DeLay just put out a good short. I think.
Who?
JD DeLay. He's a former convict, but he runs like a rehab house and all that. But there was a girl, like a high school girl, that was bullying a cancer patient. Her dad turned around and said, "You apologize," and she's like, "No, I won't." He took her in the bathroom and shaved her bald, and then walked her to the house to make her apologize.
Dang.
I'm like, he's dad boss.
Until she calls the cops on him.
President fucking. Oh my God!
I don't think cops.
Why is she hurting me?
What's hurting you?
Are you serious? Now, guys, there's like 11-year-olds who will call the cops on their dads for spanking them, and then the dad goes
But
to jail.
they were beating up a cancer patient, and dad taught her a lesson.
Doesn't matter. You know how society is now. You know, if she'd have wanted to, she could have said, "He shaved my head and he gave me emotional abuse," and he's cooked. You know.
Rachel.
Yep.
Then let her. Tell her to go.
Hey,
Let go of me.
I'm with the fire department. Can you tell me what's going on right
Yes, President Joe Biden is president.
Okay. All right, copy that.
So why is this bitch holding me so hard?
Well, because you're out of control.
No.
Take some deep breaths.
No.
Let go.
No.
I promise they will let go of you.
Okay.
So take some breaths.
What does it mean for me to let go?
Take some deep breaths.
What does it mean for me to let go?
Yeah, she'll let go as soon as you take a couple breaths, okay?
How many?
At least 20.
How many?
At least 20. Okay?
1.
All right. Very good.
2.
18 more.
3.
What we're going to ask you to do while you're doing that is you're going to get on our stretcher, okay?
5.
Okay?
5.
Are you diabetic?
6.
Are you diabetic?
I am epileptic.
Okay.
So do you really want to touch down on the fact that this bitch?
Hey.
Who is
she's
this?
just doing her job. Okay?
Is she? Is she really? Oh my God. 10.
All right.
11,
Why is she counting?
12.
Hey, we're going to have you walk to our
12.
stretcher, okay?
13.
Are you able to stand and walk?
14. 15.
All right, watch this.
No.
I'm listening. You got 5 more. Come sit on our stretcher.
Look down. Look down, though.
Yeah, look down.
No. 15.
Okay. Come sit on
You guys remember that one chick that was like, you know what? Remember that from like 2 weeks ago?
Stretcher.
Yeah.
16.
See if you can get there before 20.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
His truck had a park here.
You got it, Rachel. Come on.
17.
You got it. Almost there. Sit down.
Why is she counting?
I'm not sitting down.
Rachel, almost there. Are you guys doing? A little closer.
They told her to take 20 deep breaths.
A little closer.
Hey, that's the felony handcuff right there. There's no chain. It's a hinge.
No.
Are you doing it? Or?
5.
Yep. Okay.
No. Let go of me.
What is she doing?
That's the third 5.
Thank you for 5, 6.
What is she counting
When's the
for?
last time you've had a seizure?
Lay down and she's gonna let go of you.
7 months.
7 months ago?
Yeah.
You're gonna go Hulk smart
You
mode.
take Kepra?
Okay. No. Let's play.
I don't even believe she's epileptic. I think she's just saying it.
Yeah, she's just dumb.
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Have you been taking your normal dose?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Good job.
Let's keep going.
Kick your feet up.
No. Let's keep going.
She would let go of you if you lay
No.
down.
Let's keep going. From seizures.
Hey, Rachel.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah.
2 options right now.
Yeah.
We're going to the hospital no matter what, but there's 2 options. You either get Rachel, look at me.
Probably fine.
Rachel, we have to strap you to our stretcher, or you're cooperative and we don't have to strap you to our stretcher. Okay?
I still want her to claim it.
Strap her. Strap her. Strap her.
Yep.
Rachel, you want option 1 or 2?
Yeah, can we talk?
Alright.
Oh, you've been waiting this whole time.
I'm not just standing here all day for this.
Lay down.
She said, "Can we talk?"
Hey, you either cooperate or else we're gonna put
Just
you in a
like a woman.
Okay?
Stay there.
Yeah, I do.
Lay on.
So do you want to go on restraints or do you want
Or
to?
you're gonna be restrained. Just put your leg up.
Rachel, just put your leg up.
That's
Just like you're laying in bed.
Look, there.
I understand. I'm trying.
Good job. Just come on, blow it up. There you go.
There.
Relax. Deep breaths. Rachel, lay back. There we go.
No, it's
Rachel, relax. Breathe.
Rachel, are you with anyone tonight? Okay.
Yay.
Have you done any kind of drugs tonight? What have you done besides alcohol? Anything?
What a mess. All this effort for one drunk
Take
304.
some deep breaths.
Yeah, if that was the guy, this video would be like 5 minutes.
No. Girl.
Actually, yeah, if you want to stick with
Hey,
my arm.
wait, no. Can someone try? Can someone try to? Can someone try to get my arms? Because they hurt really bad.
Yeah, I'll go with you.
That's all right.
You sure? No, I mean, that's up to you guys. I just don't want her to wait for it. Yeah, it's pretty over here.
Relax. No, girl,
I am
you're trying. I know. You're trying to hit it.
No, we're both trying to
Do you hear what she said? She said, I know you're trying to hit.
I couldn't even laugh. I'm in shock.
Oh, man, look at that.
You're not. You're really not. You are. No, I know who I am. Because I've been fucking strangled.
You know what's funny?
What's that?
Kind of looks like the bed I was strapped to. And I broke both my legs and had to be air transported.
How did you break both your legs, Brent? Were you
fell off a cliff.
trying to bronco bust a moose up there in Canada or what?
No, I was standing on a cliff to go looking for a spot to go cliff diving into the lake. And the part of land I was standing on let go.
Oh, that
And
sucks.
I hit a rock at the bottom. My legs kind of went that way and that way. And I crashed.
And I'm just assuming that way and that way was not the proper way.
No. But no, we were camping on an island, so I had to be strapped to a stretcher bed, friggin' loaded up on canoe, taken back to the mainland.
It's like
and
the
then
most
air
Canadian thing I've ever heard.
And then airlifted back to Toronto.
They had to load him up on a canoe.
And
I
then
was waiting to hear it was pulled by a moose.
Yes.
And then he stopped to take a swig of maple syrup.
No, but someone did bring me beer. I was underage.
Hey, Brent. Okay. So you know that we don't have free healthcare here in America, right? Do you know how much that chopper ride would have cost you in the States?
I'm guessing about $5,000.
You're funny.
That's the fuel.
More like 10.
Dude. Nah, you're talking anywhere from 15 to 20 grand.
Yeah,
if you
so you got to pay
if you don't
for
have any
like
health insurance, hold on. If you don't have any health insurance and you get a chopper ride, that's 20 G's, dude. So even if you have health insurance, you're still paying a pretty penny.
wait. They don't do it off distance.
What's that?
They don't do it off distance.
Oh, it might be like 18 instead of 20. You know what I'm saying? But if that chopper's coming, you're in trouble, dude. Seriously. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, in certain states, they actually have services. They put billboards up, hey, would you because people don't live near each other, so instead of having an ambulance run the road, there's a helicopter for the community. Everyone pays like $100, $400 a month. You may never use it, but if you need it, you get the helicopter ride, from your house across 1,000 acres of field to the hospital.
Sorry. Guys, let me see here. 1 second. Let's do this. Guys, I'm going to drop the link to Crumble one more time. So guys, please go over there and sub I'd appreciate that. Let's see.
You know, AJ, we could do teaser episode streams on YouTube to let them know, you know.
What's coming up?
Yeah.
No. What I mean of a teaser episode is you do like 15 minutes on YouTube, and then the rest is over at Rumble.
Yeah, that'll be something that I'm gonna do. But once again, guys,
You migrate into it, not all at once.
Yeah, well, like I said, I there's topics that I want to cover on YouTube that I know that I just can't do. It's like a lot of these knuckleheaded protesters and all this other stuff that's going on, dude. Or like, did you guys see the big brawl at the Six Flags in Georgia? They opened a Six Flag near Atlanta. That was a big mistake. Because all these ninjas came and started shooting and blasting each other at Six Flags. So
yeah,
you ever seen the brawl in Toontown?
What? The brawl in Toontown. What is this? Who Framed Roger Rabbit? You're talking?
No. So there is two black families that got in a fight in the middle of Toontown at one of the Disney Worlds. But they were literally like beating the crap out of everyone at some point.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Yeah. You're right.
Yeah, Buddy knocks over Buddy's grandma.
Nah. There was like 300 or 400 kids there. It was crazy, stomping each other, and then someone started shooting. Now I can't show
this one was
the footage.
Just a straight up family brawl between two families.
No, this one was a whole mob, dude. So I can't show the footage on YouTube, but I can show it on Rumble.
Yeah,
I'll
what
do
do
a
you call
video
those scooters? Heavy people use the rascals. Yeah, at some point, Buddy goes to hit this chick, and she dodges out of the way, and he knocks Grandma out of her scooter. So half the family goes up to pick up Grandma, while the rest of them are still just beating the crap out of each other.
Yeah, that's what happens. You know what I mean? Sad. All right, guys, we'll do this last one. This one's short, and then we'll shut this bad boy down. I realized, guys, I didn't have the actual videos like showing on my channel on Chronicle. So, guys, now you'll see the videos. I just dropped the Red Band 50 and 304s, and guys, go over there, check that out, dude. Because guys, man, these female cops are useless, and you'll see why.
Can you take your necklace off?
No, my son gave it to me.
You'll get it right back.
For Mother's Day. No, you take it out.
On June 16th.
Oh, and guys, Mother's Day is coming up. You guys know what I'm going to go in on Mother's Day. You know what I mean? It's going to be all about.
You didn't have second thoughts. Now you're a single mom.
Oh, we're going in, guys.
18th, 2022, officers responded to a disturbance. The caller reported that a woman was causing a nuisance at their business. She was intoxicated.
Yeah, Sovereign. Yeah. People say that I sound like Angry Guy, but Angry Guy kind of sounds like this. You know what I mean? An Angry Guy, he doesn't stutter either. An Angry Guy, so you can tell the difference in our videos. A, because he has a different logo. B, he doesn't stutter like I do, right? And then C, he releases all of his videos in one day. So he just released like 7 videos in one day. So he does that every couple of weeks. And guys, here's the thing about Angry Guy, right? So like my channel's growing slowly. But if you look at the subscriber engagement I get, right? Like at one point there was almost 60 people on this stream on a Thursday night, right? I think the most I've ever had on the stream was 83 people for a channel that has 7,500 subs. Guys, there are guys that have 50,000 subs who don't get 80 people on the stream. You know what I'm saying? But here's the thing, guys. I don't do shorts. Like guys like angry guy and stuff, they do a lot of shorts. So that's how they get a lot of people. So they have a lot more passive subscribers, whereas all you guys are active. That's why, because there are literally guys who have 3, 4, 5 times more subs than me, but my videos get more regular views. You know what I'm saying? So it's all because you guys keep coming back and watching my videos, which makes more people watch. So I would rather have slower guaranteed growth than that flash in the pan where you have one short where you don't make money off of shorts, get like 1.5 million views, you get an extra 20 million subs, but then they don't show up and watch your videos. You know what I'm saying? So
Well, I don't know who this guy is that you're referring to per se, and that's okay. But I'll tell you what you're doing that's awesome, that draws the people in. Engagement. You engage with the folks that are listening to you, you know, and that's a big deal. You really don't. There's some that do that, yes, but really in the large scheme, no, not the majority.
yeah, and even with 50 and 304s, there's no body cam reaction channels that are interactive. There aren't. And all the content that I do is gonna be interactive because I'm like the extroverted extrovert, right? Like I could I'm serious, guys. I could do like a body cam stream literally for 12 hours. If people will watch, I'll do it. You know what I'm saying? Or like I could literally be on it. I need to stop saying literally like I'm a chick, but I mean it though. Like but I mean seriously, I could the live parts are the parts that I like. You know what I'm saying? Like you're talking to you guys, seeing the chat. You know what I'm saying? Or like these tangents I go on. I just go off about cars or music for like 15 minutes. I'm like, oh wait, what was I talking about again?
Yeah, well, another thing, you know, I've heard you say a couple times, you know, well, I'll try not to make this so long. I would disagree. Look at Joe Rogan. He did very well with long content.
Yeah,
and look at there's a few other guys I've got he just moved to Florida. He does the political talk. He's done long content. A lot of these guys are doing long content and having success. And the naysayers are like, "Oh no, it's too much. People won't." It doesn't matter. It's working.
Yeah,
that's why people love podcasts.
Yeah, Steve, I do need to start cutting up my my long form into videos, but it's just a long time. Just download them and then go through, clip, all that other stuff. It's just a lot, but I just need to stop being yeah, whatever. I got
easy.
9 to 5, guys. No, it's not.
I like the long content. I say just keep doing it.
No, but I can make shorts from my content.
From it.
I can.
Yeah.
Like I said, from it. So there's a lot of the stuff where I react to TikTok stuff. You know what I'm saying? Especially all the stuff that I can do.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But and also too, guys, I don't react to people reacting to things. I try to not react to other YouTubers stuff because, like I said, I got demonetized for, was it 90 days last year? Because I was talking trash about that chick who had the herp dirt. She got me demonetized for like 3 days. So, I mean, for 3 months. So, yeah, I just gotta do my own thing, so.
Intoxicated and very argumentative. As the officers approached her, she became erratic. Here's what happened next.
I'm doing good, thank you. Not too bad. How you doing, ma'am?
I'm doing real good.
Gotcha.
Look, he just got there.
He said my day is gonna end.
Okay. So what's going on today?
Cause y'all white.
What?
What?
Well, no one's day is gonna end.
And I pray to God every day. He gonna say my day is gonna end. Why my day is gonna end? Cause you think I can't pay for my meal?
Is that what's going on?
She a drunken dine and dash.
I don't know what the
I'm trying to ask you.
But I'm just trying to ask everybody. Don't with me cause I'm black.
Please.
Let me go up here and pay
Wait
for
a
my
minute.
meal like a real in front
If
Guys,
that's a hat,
first of all, I thought
I've seen that too.
when I first saw her, dude. Yeah, look at
Is that buck teeth?
that. Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Isn't that
But I was
rare
gonna
in females? Buck teeth is typically a male trait.
Well, here's the thing: in certain parts of Africa, they think buck teeth mean is a natural sign that you're a 304. Seriously, because they figure the reason why you have buck teeth is because you're sucking on stuff a lot. I'm not lying. I think it's Ghana, Nigeria. Yeah. You guys didn't know this?
I did not know
No, I
that.
did not. But I was gonna ask, does she not look like a ghetto version of Jada Pinkett Smith?
Yes.
Dude, Jada Pinkett is a ghetto version of Jada Pinkett Smith. What are you talking about? You know what I mean? Like what?
I know they're both ghetto, but this is like the model before that 204.
The model before.
Yeah, she's like, yeah. Jada Pinkett's the Ford Escort, and this chick's the Ford Tempo. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You guys know what the worst part is? Hold on, oh, man. Here we go. You guys remember? There's the Ford Tempo. You guys remember these? What a piece of junk, dude. 0 to 60 in 2 weeks, dude. Look at this thing.
Well, the Ford Escort and the Mercury Lynx, they're twins. If you look at them too fast, you think it's the same vehicle.
What was worse was the Mercury Topaz, because that was a Mercury version.
Any boys ever seen? I forget who made it. The Gremlin.
Oh yeah, the AMC, right? Was that the Pacer? Hold on.
I can't remember.
Yeah, well, the Pacer was the Wayne's World car. You know what I'm saying? And then
No, there was also a car called the Gremlin.
Yeah, we know the Gremlin. That was a car. Yeah. Oh, they made the Gremlin too. Yeah, this ugly thing. And they made 4-doors too, and wagons and everything. What a piece of junk, dude. Guys, what's the biggest piece of crap car that you guys know of? Or here, you can either say that you've ever been in or that you've ever driven. What's the biggest piece of crap I've ever been in?
Jeez, you got me thinking on that. I try not to buy crap.
Yeah, but I remember.
Wait,
what was the?
I gotta go with the Ford Taurus.
I've never owned it, but I think that the Ford Taurus has got to be it.
It was the Suzuki version of the. Oh, I know what it was.
What?
Dodge Rampage. Look at that, dude. A friend of mine had one of these. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
A Yugo, a Metro, a PT Cruiser. Yeah, those are crap. A Pinto. Look at that, guys. Look at this. Yeah, dude. A Dodge Rampage. My friend had one of these.
The reason I picked the Ford Taurus.
Which one,
though?
Which one? All?
What year?
No. It would have been in high school, so it'd be almost 12 years ago. It's the one that looks like a really chunky hatchback.
So like 2008? 2008.
Yeah, probably around there.
That Rampage looks like a white trashed El Camino.
Yeah.
It was my driving instructor's car. That thing died twice on the 401 or the highway. No, I had a fatter ass than that.
No, it was the bulbous one. It was like the 98 Ford Taurus. One of these, right?
Yeah.
Ugh. What were they thinking, dude?
I'm learning how to drive. That friggin' thing dies on a road where I'm supposed to be doing like 100 on a highway. And
now, guys, he means kilometers per hour. That's 60 miles per hour. Okay, just letting you know. So he wasn't barreling down doing just the good old boys, not driving down the Canadian backwoods. You know what I'm saying? So
Well, I was just learning how to drive, and his car died twice to the point we had to make like emergency off the shoulder exits. And it's like, and you're a driving instructor.
Here, the Ford. These things. I read.
Well, you should be honored that your vehicle died during training. I mean, pilots, they are. The trainer intentionally turns off the aircraft and looks at the student and says, "Okay, now start it," while you're flying.
Yeah.
That shit cost me $2,000.
The show Taurus was an awesome car, man. And he said he had a K car. Yikes, man. Those are terrible cars.
Okay, I think the K car just beat the Taurus.
Yes, those things are terrible cars, guys. Terrible. Was it a K car?
Wasn't that made out of cardboard?
Might as well have been. Guys, and all the models that they made off the K car. Hold on. Let me see. What do they use it for? All the models. Okay. The Dodge Aries, the Plymouth Reliant, the LeBaron Town and Country, the Dodge 400.
I forgot the LeBaron was a thing.
Hold on. The Plymouth Caravel. It's weird. The Dodge 600, the Chrysler E-Class, the Executive, the New Yorker, those were pieces of junk. The Plymouth Caravel, the Chrysler Laser, the Dodge Daytona, those were pieces of trash. And the Dodge Caravan, horrible, man. You guys
when
know
I was a kid,
AMG, you know that makes Mercedes made a Honda Civic.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I did not.
Yeah, the Honda Ballade. Right. This is what they call it in South Africa. In South Africa. Look at that. Sorry guys, I like weird old cars, you know what I mean? So I would never buy one of these, obviously, but look, and then they made an AMG Mitsubishi Galant too.
See, when I was a kid, we all wanted to get a Crown Vic.
Yeah.
I tell you guys, the first car that I bought with my own money.
I'll tell you right now, Oldsmobile Achieva.
Oops, 1989. Guys, what was the first car that you bought with your own money? There it is, dude.
Honda Accord.
Look at that.
Delta 88 Oldsmobile.
What year?
78. 77, 78, something like that.
Look, I'll never forget this car, man. You said a 78 Delta 88?
Yeah, it was an old car. I think I was like 14 when I bought it.
Look at the size of this thing.
Had a 4-barrel on it.
Conrad said he had a 96
Yep.
Crown Vic. 96 Crown Vic. Yeah, man, you want to talk about tanks. And then everyone's all driving slow around you because they think you're a cop. Carlos X had an 83 Buick Regal, man.
Oh, damn.
Look at that. Look at that. Uh-oh, we all know Carlos, he was driving around town.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that, man. Right? An 84 Prelude. Look at that.
98 Oldsmobile Achieva.
What was that? 98.
I think it was 98. Might be 99.
Oh, I remember these things. They were also the Buick Skylark with that ugly front end on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
That was my first car.
Dude, Priuses are awesome cars. I don't care what anyone says. You can get a good, 2010 to 2014 Prius now for like $7 or $8 with decent miles on it. You know what I'm saying? Dude, they get like 58 miles to the gallon, and they're actually considered a mid-sized car because of all the room in them. You know what I'm saying? Put the seats down, you can cram anything back there. Dude, people talk trash about Priuses, but get one. You'll see. They're great cars, man.
I got a funny one for you. So, you all know what the Ford Model A is?
The Ford Model A? Oh, one of these?
Yeah. One of the guys at work switched out with, I think it was a Challenger engine, modified it and all that, got bigger tires on it. But he goes to the classic car shows. But it's funny because he's still got the old luggage carriage on the back of it.
Oh, really? Yeah. I think that the only car owners I don't really like are Corvette owners, right? Because in general, they're all douchebags. And then,
It's funny you say that. We were talking about that earlier. There's a Corvette club somewhere out here.
What's a Kia Ceed? Oh, that's right. Dream is in France. What is this? A Kia Ceed Pro. I've never even seen one of these before.
Never heard of it.
Yeah. All right. Let's finish this up, guys. Whoops.
To my child, cause she crying. She crying.
Yeah, I get it.
She crying.
Yeah. So is that something?
She got white friends.
Yeah, I believe you.
He's talking about this day is gonna end. I don't need him to do for me.
Ma'am, can I get? Ma'am, come over here. Ma'am.
On my face, bro.
I'm over here.
Let me pay for my meal. I don't need you to do shit for me,
All right,
sir.
hang on a second.
Go ahead and take care of your ass lane.
Hang on. Stay here. We're gonna go talk to the owners.
Go man your business, bro. Hey, go man your business, bro. I can take care of you and my daughter.
Yep, I believe you.
I've been doing this. I don't need that.
No,
oh,
I know.
Y'all on the white plantation.
She is drunk or on something.
Both, probably. I mean,
And I'm thinking the DNA is not right.
Steve says he had a 2009 Grand Caravan. Look, guys, here's the thing. Look at these.
XST?
Yeah, guys, do you remember these? The 1988 Dodge Caravan Turbo. Dude, these things. I was at a drag strip once because these have that 2.5 liter Mitsubishi engine in it. Yo, you put an intake, an exhaust, a reflash, dude, and you're doing 12s in the quarter mile, dude. There were guys that would just take the boost controller off the thing and just open boost and dude. There was a Dodge event a friend of mine went to with a he had an SRT4. Yo, his car, it was the fastest car there, and there was Vipers and everything there. Other than this Dodge Caravan. This guy had like an 88 or an 89 Dodge Caravan Turbo with some slicks on it. It smoked everything. It was hilarious. It was a 5-speed too, so it's pretty cool.
Jeez.
I like weird old cars, like.
It's over with.
Okay.
That white plantation shit over with.
Yep.
I can't give my daughter. We're trying to get some money. Oh, they need some money. Let me pay for my daughter.
We're trying to work that out.
No,
right now.
I want to pay for that shit right now.
Okay. We have to let them talk. Let me get your name real quick.
You're not finna get.
I'm gonna need to get your name.
You're not finna get. Bye.
Okay.
You gonna let me pay for this meal and get home or what?
Yeah, we're gonna let you, but we have to go through the whole process first.
No, you go through the process and catch me.
I'm not.
Yes, you is. Yes, you is.
Man, what are you doing?
Cause I'm willing to pay for the meal.
Yeah,
Y'all
we're trying to let you.
Yeah. Now, you know what? I'm tired of dealing with y'all motherfucking white people.
Okay.
Y'all think it's a whole. It's a white faucet right here.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Yes,
I've been trying to be nice to you.
Yes, you
What's
did.
going on?
You don't know.
I don't. What is going on?
You ain't been trying to be nice to me. Shut the
Penny
f
pack.
up. Your ass a lie. You a cop. Let me pay for my meal and go home.
Dude, Honda Elements are friggin' cavernous, man. Those are great cars. They really, really are. And here's the thing. They're cheap, guys, because, like, they were so far ahead of their time, you know what I'm saying? That they might actually start going up in value pretty soon. But, yo, if you got a lot of stuff, if you have dogs, if you go camping a lot, if you, like, you put the seats down and those things, and they're huge on the inside.
So we can do that?
So bring the owners out so I can pay for my meal and go home.
We can do that if they're willing to.
She continued to talk nonsense to the officer and act weird.
Y'all want my money?
We're trying to.
Do y'all want my money?
Yeah, we're trying to get that.
Other than that, I got my daughter in high school.
Yeah.
I finna go. Which one? Which one?
Which one what?
Which one? Do I pay for my dinner for me and my daughter, or you want to make a scene?
So we're trying to talk with them and see if they're willing to do that, okay?
Boy, then bad. Kiss my ass. When they ready for me to get...
Excuse me.
I've gotten no cooperation at all. Are they... Do you have money to pay for it?
They don't.
What the f*** you mean no cooperation now? You just like the
They
police.
want to trespass.
That's it?
They want to go on. They want
Okay.
to trespass.
That's fine. So you're going to be gone with here? I just need your name.
They're not making you pay today. They just don't want you here anymore. That's all.
You guys see that video where they're like, all these black people on TikTok are trying to talk trash that Michael Chandler, the MMA fighter, he and his wife they adopted two black kids, and this one goes like, I can't stand it when you see white people adopting black kids. Why they doing that? And this black dude stitches it, and he goes, maybe that's because your irresponsible ass threw him away. How about that? Yeah.
Ooh, really?
Matter of fact, here, guys, I'm here. Let me go to Instagram. Instagram. Let me see.
No, but sounds like he was telling the truth.
Where is it?
He's fighting Connor soon, isn't he?
Yeah, finally. He's gonna knock him in the next Tuesday too. Watch. Watch this. Oops. Sorry, guys.
People adopt black children. It's a real question for me.
Because you keep throwing them away. Maybe if black mothers would stop having random children with random men without being married and having a family to keep that child in, there wouldn't be so many black children to adopt.
There it is. There it is.
Shots fired! While you're on the internet running your mouth, how many children can you adopt?
Oh!
Probably zero, because you don't qualify, because you have to have a family. You have to be financially sound. See, this is how the process works. First, they reach out to the immediate family, any blood relatives, and try to get somebody to take that child. That didn't work. Then they try to find a child with a family they can connect with, same race. That didn't work.
That didn't work, yep.
And they had no choice but to put the child with a white tea family who was willing to take the child. So instead of asking why are white tea people adopting black people, why don't you ask why are there so many black children up for adoption? Aren't y'all the most educated?
There you go. Yep.
Aren't y'all making the most money that any other group of black women have ever made?
Yep.
So why aren't you adopting black babies?
There it is, guys. Right there.
Shots fired!
Shots fired! That's like the same guy. This lady goes, I never seen no black men traveling. Why do I never see no black men traveling? He goes, black men travel all the time. We're just not insecure enough to want to try and have to put our business out on the internet. You know what I'm saying? To get validation from thousands of people we don't know. You know what I'm saying? Men don't do that in general. You know what I mean?
Hold on for just a second, Tiffany.
Tiffany, what's your birthday?
Sam 8, I'm getting no record for that name. Date of birth.
Stop it right now.
Nice trying. Take his name down. Get your
You're
phone
gonna
out.
be arrested for
Get your phone
disruptive
out.
intoxication.
Get your phone out,
Okay.
G. Take his name down. Take his name down, Mama.
You're gonna
Take
be
his
arrested.
name
You
down.
understand?
He's on you. He's on you. He's on you. Take his name down. His name is K.
My name is Sergeant Mecca, okay?
No.
Yes.
Ain't no Sergeant Mecca.
Okay.
It's
That's her
It was
daughter?
Sergeant Dave Franco.
So what you
How
want from me?
embarrassing.
Your identification.
And I'm finna pay for the meal.
You're not gonna pay.
You're not getting that. I didn't
You're
do
okay
nothing
for
to
now.
them.
I need your identification.
I didn't do nothing to them.
And right now you're violating a seniority
How embarrassing. That's her daughter. You know what I'm saying?
that I can arrest you for, okay? Let's just go 1095.
Okay.
You're under arrest.
She has a free meal. She could just go.
Let's go, dude.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting right now. She's resisting the help. Stop resisting. Stop resisting arrest. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. You're under arrest right now, okay? Yep, that's fine. Okay.
She wasn't ready to cooperate at all.
Don't reach for anything on her right now. She's under arrest. Stop it right now. Stop it right now.
All right, come back.
Stop it, okay?
No.
Don't reach for anything on her.
Back off.
Stop
Thank
it.
you.
Let's bring her over here. Okay, are these double locked automatic?
No.
Stop it right now.
Her daughter's 12, crying and stuff. Look at that. Poor, sad, isn't it?
Her daughter's 12?
Double locked.
Yeah.
Stop it
That
right
is
now.
traumatic.
They trying to call for
That's
me.
so sad.
Bullies.
Gonna get our coming stuff up,
Pay
please.
for a meal. Y'all dumb as hell.
Double locked.
Y'all dumb as hell.
Double locked. You're under arrest now for resisting and obstructing,
Look at my
okay?
daughter right here.
And
She's
disruptive
4 years old.
intoxication.
Yeah, and-
Yes, and you don't want to
Well,
listen to
it's
commands.
I ain't
You
got
don't
no
want to
drink
listen to
on me.
commands.
I ain't got no drink
We're
on me.
walking over here.
I ain't got no
I can
drink
smell
on
the
me.
alcohol in
Hell
your
no.
breath. Stop
Hell no.
resisting. Stand up.
Hell no. Hell no.
Stop
My daughter
resisting.
right
Come on,
here.
come on.
Hell no.
Stop resisting. Stand up right now.
Just drag her.
Call the ambulance.
Stop.
I'm not
Stop resisting right now. Stop it right now.
The call. Where's that?
No, get my daughter my
Property
my
stays
son. Get that shit.
DeKalb.
That property stays with
Oh,
her.
what's your name?
Sergeant Mecca.
Okay, good.
Cobb County,
Good.
Illinois.
I got you.
Illinois.
I got you. You
Stop
gonna
it
leave
right
my daughter out here?
No, we're gonna
That's
take care
child
of that.
abuse. That's child abuse.
What's in
That's
there?
child abuse. I'm out here eating.
It's for you hear the little girl crying?
I'm out here eating. I'm out here eating. You got my daughter out here crying.
Hey, what's your name? What's your name?
I hope her daughter learns to never do what her mother's doing.
It's sad. The craziest part about it is, this is how these B-dubs act. I'm telling you, B-dubs are the worst stewards for children. You know what I'm saying?
You got my daughter. Ma'am, I didn't do. Ma'am, please.
Stop it right now. Hey, Donahue, let's help over here.
Ma'am.
Stop with the legs. Stop. Stop it right now.
Please, ma'am. I didn't do.
Listen, please. You are resisting us inside the vehicle.
Stop resisting.
What y'all gonna do with my daughter?
Get in the car.
Oh, I got try.
There's the drag.
What a mess.
I got try. What's gonna do with my daughter? What's gonna do with my daughter?
Sit back.
What's gonna do with my daughter?
Sit back.
I was having a nice dinner.
And now the daughter's gonna, probably grow up having an issue with cops. You know what I'm saying? And it's her mom's fault.
With dinner. Man, I was having a nice dinner with my daughter. And she locked me up. Man.
Stop kicking the door.
Watch your legs.
Stop it right now. It's your leg
Tell
shackles.
this lady.
Stop it right
Tell
now.
that lady. Oh my God, you don't.
Shortly after, she was taken to the jail.
I get locked up and take my gas and your ass riding around here with one headlights.
You just want to grab? I'll grab it later. Never mind.
It's cool. You same that banned me from Walmart. I ain't scared.
Look at that. Oh, she's been banned from Walmart. I wonder why, guys. Stealing. Look at that, man.
I hope you die, bitch! I hope you die of AIDS, ho!
I swear to God, I'm finna say with my hood. I went to jail. I'm finna go on the radio station. I went to jail for taking my daughter out to eat. That's what I'm finna go to jail for.
If we take the handcuffs off, you're gonna be.
No.
Take my daughter out to eat. Y'all ain't seen me in the paper. My son played basketball.
How many seconds before the arms go wild after the handcuffs come off?
Y'all taking me to jail for all these raggedy ass niggas right here making a time with bed. Go ahead, take me to jail.
Not even 2 seconds.
I'm finna get my boy on y'all ass. Go ahead. I got all y'all names and I remember y'all face. Go ahead. Do what you gotta do.
What a fucking
promise
mess.
God, my baby better be good. My baby better.
Yeah, you know what? I would say Blondie can get it. You know what I'm saying? You know, she's 2 o'clock in the morning. She's a 2 a.m. chick. You know what I'm saying? You leaving the bar. You had more than a few. You know what I'm saying? What you doing? I'm busy. No, you ain't. No, you ain't. I'm coming over.
My baby better be good.
She is.
They treat
Can you
her
take your
ass
necklace
well.
off?
No, my son gave it to me.
You'll get it right back.
For Mother's Day.
You'll get
No,
it.
you take it out. I got my nails on. Do you know how much I pay for my nails? I can't.
Are you all right with me taking it off then?
No, my son gave this to me.
Okay, well, you need to take it off.
This is real. I swear to God, I'm
What a
suing the
mess.
out of y'all. I'm going to jail for taking my child out to eat.
Don't worry about the property. She's got a bunch in the car I gotta get.
I'm going to jail for taking my child out to eat. Don't touch me.
That's fine.
Don't touch me.
We're not going.
Rape.
We're not going to.
Rape.
We're not.
Rape. Rape.
Yep. Stephanie, we want you to get in the cell. We don't want to touch you again. Can you do that so we don't have to? Then we're going to have to touch you.
It's going to be rape, right?
Nope.
Then what you call it, man?
It's going to be a use of force to get you to comply
It's
because you're
another
resisting.
fucking charge.
Because you've been resisting. You are resisting.
I ain't been
You've
resisting
Yes,
shit.
you are. We.
Oh, please.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Come on. Guys, let's get
You won't go
bed.
in, then we're going to have you step in. All right? Come on.
Don't touch me.
Come on, Stephanie. Come on.
They
In the
wanna
cell.
do this shit.
In the cell.
They want to do this shit anyway.
Go ahead and take a seat.
In the drunk tank.
Don't let me go.
Stop. Stop.
Get your hands off me.
Stop.
Get your
Stephanie.
feel.
Your one hand has to be handcuffed.
Now I got to see what my door doing. I swear to God, I'm food shit. I'm trying to watch this. Y'all don't even know who the my daddy is.
The female was charged with disorderly conduct, resisting arrest and disruptive intoxication.
37. I guess black does crack, guys. Man, oh man. And guys, there's one more little clip I want to show you. Guys, okay. Black men, we have more, we deal with more crap with the women who look like us than any other race, right? This guy, he's a passport bro, right? But he married a North African girl. And this girl calls in saying she's offended because he didn't marry a dark-skinned girl. He married a North African girl. He's like, but she's African. Watch.
Part of Africa you're in, they don't look like me. They're not dark-skinned folk.
No, they're not. What does that have to do with anything? They're not dark.
I'm just saying. I just asked you a question. Why you didn't marry nobody that's from
Am I dark
Congo?
skinned? Am I dark skinned? Lady, look at my color. Do I look dark skinned?
Come on. You don't look dark skinned, but you're a black male.
Do I look dark skinned though?
But you're a black male.
So I have to marry somebody dark skinned like you.
Well, I mean, they got light skinned Africans in Congo and in Nigeria. They have light skinned Africans.
What are you talking about, lady? She's African. Why are you hating? She's African.
No. What I'm stating to you, her texture of her hair is not like mine.
Please.
Oh
Her
my
texture
goodness.
of her hair is not like mine. Want to know why
You're
I'm not single? Because I teach my men to shut the fuck up.
Listen to
And
that.
that's the problem. You're masculine. You
You
don't
here.
know how
You're
to be a
that's
man.
what
So
you
you
need
think you're
to
gonna
do.
come on somebody's live and tell
Masculine.
them how to be a man when your man is a bitch.
I'm not telling
Your
him how to
man
be
is
a man.
bitch. You
All right,
just
Guru, have a
said.
good day.
You just
I don't
said.
even women that I'm seeing in
I tell you guys, that's why I don't even mess with B-dubs anymore.
Whoa.
Tell you, man. Tell you. You'll end up in jail or 6 feet under. So, but all right, you guys, make sure to go over and sub to the Crumble. I'll be dropping content over there. I made a Crumble thread in Discord, guys. Drop anything you want over there, because I can cover anything over there. You know what I'm saying? And then, guys, 50304s. That's the other channel. Guys, make sure you are subbed. That's all body cam stuff. And guys, I'll be live on there at 10 p.m. tomorrow, Eastern Standard Time. So, Gal Cannon, I appreciate you, man.
You be good.
Have a good one, guys.